Sorry, as soon as I saw the selling, as soon as I saw, I was like, "Oh, this is awesome."
It's like, is that a new door right here? Yeah, I'm going short right here. You mother.
My bad.
No worries, man. This is my area for shorts too. I just wasn't paying attention to it. Are we live?
Yeah, we're live. We're good.
Oh shoot! What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Trading Shop with me, T. Hobbs, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. Sorry, guys. Justin decided he wanted to go short after like tricking me. He was like, "Hey, Hobbs, I really like this new camera angle you got. Is that a door right there?" Oh yeah.
I didn't expect for the market to pop the way it did.
Right here. By the way, I'm going short. You mother. They say you distracted me from my position, and then he was like, "Oh yeah, I'm going short. Good job, buddy."
I didn't expect to see what I saw right here. I was waiting for it, and then I saw the volume. I was like, "Oh, this is it. I'm going short right here, y'all. I've been short, y'all. I'm in short."
All good. First of all, thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Trader Shop. As you can see, I'm trying out different angles every single day. Like I got this new studio set up. One of these days, I'll send a picture on Twitter to show you guys the new one. But I'm trying to fix the wires. Anyway. I got all these different camera angles that I'm trying to mess with in here. So just bear with me. Let me know if you guys like this one. If you hate it, let me know as well. That being said, please make sure you tip the barbers, AKA hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. That being said, you guys already know what it is. Before we break down the pre-market plan, we just ask that you show your support. And we have 3 different ways that you can show your support. The first one I just mentioned, tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, right? Turn those notifications on so you get notified when we go live or put out videos, right? Number 2, right? The second way you can support the channel is if you're already using prop firms and stuff like that, consider using our link, right? Our Apex links, cash. Yeah, that was cash. Consider using our Apex links. It scrolls on the bottom of the screen. Go watch the videos Justin puts out on Top Step X, which is one of the hotter videos that are out right now. Apex, Take Profit, Trader, My Funded Futures, all that. There's links in the description of all of those videos so that you can use that to help support the channel. It costs you nothing, right? But it helps support us as well, right? And then lastly, if you're interested in joining the Discord, right? You want information, you know, on how to read order flow, how we trade, the direction, or how to break down market structure, all that good stuff, right? Or if you just want a strong community, or you want more access to myself and Justin, the way that you can do that is you can join the Discord. The link is in the description down below. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. And if you lock in those prices, you won't get charged extra when the price goes up. Now that we got that all out of the way, Jesus, I can't talk this morning. Justin is in a nice short this morning, so I'm going to take over. Well, actually, I wrote both pre-market plans this morning. It's kind of a new thing we're trying, right? Like if both of us are writing plans, like it's just extra stuff that we don't need to be doing. I'm already up a little earlier than most, right? So I don't mind writing both plans. And if Justin has anything to add, which he usually doesn't, because we basically see the market kind of the same way, right? Then he'll add to it, or you know, he'll write his own. He'll probably have his own plan anyway. That being said, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna jump into ES and NQ, right? So you guys can have both perspectives while Justin's in this trade. Let me share my screen here. We'll start off with ES because that's the one that most people don't trade. But at the same time, right, it's important because, I mean, NQ basically follows ES, right? For the Discord members, 7:45, I go through this a little bit earlier for them. And then if they want to reiterate it or they miss it, they can just jump over to YouTube and watch it. Other than that, we're sharing the bubbles, so to speak, right? All right, so the plan over here on ES, right? I'll read my macro plan when I go over to NQ, but I'm just going to read the bullish and bearish plans that I have for ES. Basically, we're right back in the same exact spot that we were yesterday, or Friday, I should say, at this 4-hour supply zone. This area caused a sell-off Friday, but it did not cause a break of structure. But it still can act as resistance, so to speak, right? It's still supply for me, right? It still hasn't been broken yet, right? So it's still supply, but it's also resistance, depending on how you want to look at it, right? Ultimately, I want to see weak rallies shut down by sellers from 5261.25 to 5269.75. and look to target 90-minute demand at 52.4475 through 52.35, right? So basically right where Justin is right now, that's the short. That's the short that I would entertain as well. But I'm not really entertaining it right now. But anyway, 90-minute demand, right? You want to look for buyers to defend 52.4475 through 52.3550, and we can look to long the market targeting 4-hour supply at 52.61.25 through 52.70.25. All right. We also have the daily fib right there and the previous day low that the market may want to target. Not to mention, we have the lows from London, right? The lows from London, Tokyo, and Sydney are all down here, right? So this is a really good target. It was the same target that we targeted last week. Like nothing's really changed, right? So definitely looking to get short up in this area on a break and retest or something like that. All right, so let's move up to the last bearish plan, which is look to short weak rallies, right? Like if we get above this high, which I anticipate us doing, I don't know if we'll do it before we come back down. I would prefer we do it before we come back down, but for Justin's sake, hopefully we won't. But I want to look to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 52.8750 through 53.09 and look to target the previous day high, right? If we get above here and we continue to push, I don't expect price to come all the way back down here. That's why there would probably be a good chance of us taking out this liquidity before moving higher. But who knows what the market's thinking. All right, so that's my plan on ES. Let's move over to the NASDAQ, which is what most of you trade. And I'll tell you I'll show you the macro. I don't know where this trend line came from. Oh, this was me. I'm pointing. Okay, so my macro, the current trend is bullish above 18,228, which was basically PM session lows from Friday. Overall trend is bearish below 18,473. That's a more egregious look of the above supply zone, right? And then the macro is the overnight session continued to apply pressure to the bears. We have reached another key level for buyers to break today, which is this resistance zone right here. I would like to see us trade above the previous day high at 18,348, which it looks like we're still struggling to get above, right? To validate my 4-hour demand zone. We can look to trade with the trend or look for bearish opportunities at higher time frame zones only. And when I say only, I'm not telling traders they can't trade that. When I say only, I'm talking about myself, right? I don't care to trade short unless I'm at higher time frame supply. That's just me. All right, so bullish. Look for buyers to defend 4-hour demand at 18,270.75 through 18,228.50. And we can look to long the market targeting 4-hour resistance, which is this area here again, at 18,317.25 and then 18,348. Bearish. We can look to short weak rallies at this 4-hour resistance, which is exactly where Justin's trying to short right now, at 18,317.25 through 18,348, and look to target the 4-hour demand / daily fib. Tokyo, London, and Australia liquidity is all down here, right? This is a huge area that we should find buyers at, right? And if we don't, we're going to slide, which brings me to my first extreme plan, which is extreme bullish. Look for buyers to defend 4-hour demand at 18,161.75 through 18,105, and we can look to long the market targeting the previous day low, okay? Third bullish plan is for all of you bullish break and retest traders. This is a great opportunity. If the market gets above the previous day high and then it wants to hold, it usually uses this area as support. So look for a bullish break and retest above the previous day high at 18,348. Look to target 18,473 on the supply side. Bearish. Last bearish plan for me today is look to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 18,473 through 18,507. And look to target the 4-hour daily fib at 18,270.75 to 18,229. That's all the way down here. I think a better target would be the previous day high or this resistance potentially turning in support. So those are my thoughts on the market. I hope that helps you guys out today. I think Jay is short. Yeah, he said it this morning when he came in. He's like, I'm short here, guys. But looking over at the volatility index. So
it's not looking too good right now.
Well, looking at the volatility index, we are in a weekly demand. And I talked about this a little bit in the top-down analysis. If you guys got a chance to watch that, is we're really approaching all-time lows on the VIX, right? So this would be a really good area for the VIX to try to defend this area, right? Remember, this low brought us a new high above this swing right here at 1678. So you want to see these buyers defend down here, right? Which in turn would mean we would have a bearish day on the market, right? So this is a really good area for the VIX to try to defend. So I'm more along the lines of the bearish side this morning, but I have a plan to trade both. And the VIX is the reason why I'm a little bit bearish, because of where we are on the VIX, right? Like, and then you can kind of see on the 1 hour, you can start to see the price kind of rounding out a little bit, right? I'm not bearish on the day. I'm bearish on where we are, to be more specific, right? So, and then what else do we have here? We have, oh, the stocks, right? So I think I updated these. Maybe I didn't. I probably did not. Yeah, I definitely did not. Yeah, no, I did. Okay. So Apple trading above previous day high. Nvidia sold down back to the pre-market low, and now it's finding buyers again after that aggressive sell-off. Let's see. Microsoft above previous day high, pushing toward all-time highs, about 20 bucks away. Meta just flat. Google flat. Amazon pretty much flat. And then Tesla is flat as well. And then last but not least, it's GameStop day, right? If you guys haven't been aware or following people on Twitter, GameStop has awoken, so to speak, right? I'm not looking to trade it yet, so to speak, but I'm definitely looking at some options if we can start to close and hold below some structure here. And I know Roaring Kitty, right? Roaring Kitty is like the leader of the GameStop thing, right? He came back to Twitter this weekend, right? Which is a big deal for them, right? Like they look at that as a huge deal. So I mean, just off of that strength, it's up almost $8 in the pre-market. From $17 is up to 25, 26, and rushing back up. Now, the crazy part is though, is the real money, in my opinion, is going to be made over here on AMC, right? Because while everybody's chasing GameStop, AMC's down to $3. So I remember the last time this happened, I faded GameStop and I just went and started buying calls on AMC. So the Russell's pushing, small caps are pushing, right? This is usually an indication that the rally's almost over. Like when the Russell starts getting crazy and GameStop and the meme stocks come, and you know, it's just it's funny because like before I hadn't been a trader, right, for a long time, right? I hadn't been trading for a while, so like I didn't understand the cycles, but like I know where we are now, right? Like I know what's about to happen usually in the season, right? Like the last thing that happens before we go bearish is all this craziness, right? They get all of retail into the market based off something, right? And they want to get as much money as possible, and they rally it up, make you feel like it's never coming down, and then they pull the rug. Because I mean, if we look at the weekly, right, on, let me get rid of some of these plans. Actually, I could just do this. If we look at the weekly, right, on NQ, right, we had this consolidation here. We swept the low, and now we're coming back up to sweep the high, right? Like we're going higher, and then we just get extremely bullish, like 19, 20,000 bullish, right? Everybody's like euphoric. We got, you know, Trump potentially becoming president, right? And then swoop, everybody starts selling to go home, right? Not saying it'll be over, but it'll definitely be a bearish time in this market, right? We just don't know when that's coming. So just be aware, man. Like this shit happens all the time. Like the more time I spend in the market, the more I realize like, yeah, I know exactly where we are. I know what season we're in right now. So just, yeah, just food for thought. And let me fix these charts up.
Yeah, these buyers have no chill right now. Oh, you're welcome, Trading Girl. Or Trading Good Girl. I got you.
Oof, that 1 hour looks bullish.
Yeah. Think about putting this. We get above we get above this high, because we got slapped, right? Well, Bears got slapped.
Yeah, I like
Right
the
back to
area.
the-
I don't like the price action to go bearish. I like that one little aggressive sell, but I feel like those always get bought up. So anytime I see that, I'd be like, yeah, okay, let's see what you do the next time you come up here. Let's see if you want to defend, or if you just cap it. Let me take a picture so I can save my pre-market plan.
It looks like we want to continue going up.
I have no idea what it went over here.
It's more really strong buying coming in.
All right. Got that saved. Okay. All right. Let's switch to 15-minute time frame here. Prepare for trading.
Talk about getting slapped. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a lot of buying coming in after that sell-off. I ain't buying that shit. Nope. All right. Let's see here. 18,473. Supply. Oh, I got it already. Just making sure I chart over here on Top Step X as well. That was a problem I didn't do last week. One of the things I didn't do last week, I would have all of these great areas to trade on my regular charts on TradingView, and then I come over to TraderBait and forget where the F they were. Right? I'm like, man, what the? All right. This zone here. Go. All right, 473, and that's 4 hour. All right, and give me 1 second, guys, and I'll be with you in a moment. Resistance. Viva la resistance.
Yeah, well, hopefully these sellers start to live and come in this market.
I mean, they're looking weak up here, but it's just not. It hasn't broken any structure for me yet, so I'm gonna pass until we do something that I like. Okay. TradingView says, Cash, sorry, morning. Can you please put Bookmap ES in Discord? Oh, I think just.
Yeah, I already did it.
Yo, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Let's get it. What's going on, Custom Barbecue? Good morning. I think Jay is short. Yep, he is. I knew it. Keep in mind, market open, Jay.
Yeah, oh yeah, sweet. I know. If this thing doesn't touch the flush, I'm probably gonna get out.
Yeah, Roaring Kitty is back. Thank you for putting the Bookmap in your group. No doubt. Call me a perma bear, but I think this year we're going to have a big short. I mean, we always have a big short. Every year in the summer, it happens. It's going to happen. No doubt about it. The only year we didn't have it was the COVID year, right? Like after the COVID year, when we were down, we basically had a market crash, right? So we basically bought the market crash up and just continued to go higher. We didn't end up selling off until the end of the next year, right? So now we should be kind of back on cycle, in my opinion, Void. Like I think at some point we'll hit the top. Top of the top. Never been so happy for Mondays. Let's get it. What's going on, Chicago Shine? Let's get it. Mad Moxie in the building says good morning. What's going on, Mad Moxie? Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, I gotta bounce, like I said, right around market open. My kids gotta go to school. They should be ready. I really pray that they're not still in.
Come on, market drop like Drake said. Drop. Nah, we're definitely going up. About to knock me out here. That was unfortunate. I was up about 20 points and then it came back and got me. There it is. All right, just gotta take it out. I'll wait till market open now.
We'll go drop the kids off, Jay. I'll be right back, brother.
All right. Yeah, it was about 20 points. Not even really 20 points. We just didn't get the follow through. We're still in this uptrend. I'm not gonna fight it. This uptrend is still very, very strong. Oh, the NFL schedule came out. That's crazy. Let's see. What up, Mad Moxie? Yeah, what up, Void? What up? What up? What up? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna chill till market open at this point. No point to try to take another trade here. 0 for 1 on the day. No biggie. I sized down for that trade too, so. Let's see. Yeah. What up, Jonah? Oh, nah, I gotta get it back. Get it back. Get it back. Get it back. Jonah, you changed your profile picture? Oh, okay, okay. What up, Twice? Yeah, I'm just waiting for the market to open. I think we still sell off though. What's a full trading day on Top Step? A full trading day on Top Step is from I think from 6 p.m. to like 4, was it 4 something, 4:10 or something, 4:15, something like that p.m. I think it's a full day. I know they close people out a little bit earlier. So I think that's the full trading day. Yeah, we got a full house in here. Jesus. Yeah, but he went to go take his kids to school real fast. Oh, happy birthday to do today too, Jonah. You old, bruh. Yeah, where did I see that? I could have sworn. Yeah, I'm tripping right now. I'm tripping. I swear I saw that I swear I saw. Oh, okay, here it is. I answered it, but he not in he not in. Okay. 5 what is it, 6 p.m. to 4 like 10 p.m. EST. All right, there you go. All right, yeah, so I'm just pretty much waiting for market open at this point. Like I really got nothing to do. I want to take another short, but I'm just gonna wait. Huh? Yeah, we're on YouTube every day. Every day. I think these shorts are going to come in, though. I'm going to be a little upset. When these motherfuckers end up printing or whatever. Thank you. I think I've only traded ES like. Oh yeah, we're still going up, but I think I've only traded like. I think I've only traded ES like twice in like 2 or 3 months, probably. For a minute. Oh damn. Damn, I feel you. I feel you. Oof. Mm. Yeah, I feel you. But I mean, just gotta bounce back. That's all you can do. What that was on Apex? Yeah, Top Step is where it's at. Oh, I mean it's 85% off though. That's better. That's better than what Apex is running for specials. But I don't know if their 100K is more expensive. I'm not entirely sure. For 100K on Apex. No, I mean, but with Top Step X though, yeah. Well, Top Step X you can get 10 accounts. If you get those 10 accounts, then yeah, you can get 10 accounts on Top Step X. And then if you get them all funded, right now they're only doing 3, but everybody thinks they're going to 10 here soon. So if you get 10 funded, it's only you only need five days of $200 or more green to get a payout. So it's not like Apex where that payout window be getting you because you can only withdraw for Apex. They changed it. It used to be different. It used to be different. They used to pay out differently. They used to not pay out like that. I don't remember what they were. I didn't start messing with Top Step until they changed the payout window and they changed their prices because they used to be expensive. It used to be like $200 something for a 50K account. I was like, nope, not when Apex is way cheaper. Well, yeah, but they have the end of day, so it's not that bad. It's not like because you only get $500 extra on Apex, but you got to contend with like not giving anything back. Where like Top Step, you don't really got to worry about it. So they don't give you as much drawdown, but I mean, honestly, you really don't. You don't need the extra 500. I mean, I guess it'd be nice, but yeah, whatever. Nah, I feel you. What do you mean? Oh, yeah. All right, market's about to be open, y'all. We're looking extremely bullish still. Looks like the market wants to continue to go up. The way that I'm looking at this right now is we got this nice trend. I should have taken my profit right here, and it was at 5-minute demand. That was a mistake on my part. That was a massive mistake. I was in profit. I should have taken it, but it's all good. And I'm just gonna sit down and wait. I'm gonna eat my wounds and see if we can't break this trend line here. If we break this trend line at 307 ish area, then I'll look for the retest, put in that head and shoulders pattern, and then go ahead and take the market short. Until then, there's really nothing for me to do. Yeah, I don't think there's any news today. Yeah, last week was pretty slow. Yeah, there's no news today. There's some mortgage delinquencies, but I don't think that's really gonna do anything to the market. It's yellow folder news. I never heard of mortgage delinquencies being on here. It's also tentative too, so who knows when it's coming out. But again, we're just holding these lows, so until the lows break, there's no real reason to do anything. It's looking like and ES is also holding. Yeah, I think we're gonna fall. We're coming down. I think we're gonna fall. But we'll see. It's all about timing. It's all about timing. Let's go. Damn, yesterday. Damn. Yeah. So now the market's coming back up. Every single time the market sells off, these bulls defend. Every time. Stupid bulls. Stupid bulls. But I got us some 15-minute supply right now. This is where the sell-off happened on Friday, so I try to take that early short. Of course, I got swept out, but it's all good. Yeah. But we're still trying to come down. Yeah, there's a lot of selling going on down here. When the market's not moving, we're gonna pop right back up. Yeah, again, the bulls are just continuing to defend the lows. There comes the pop back up, but I just want to be long up here. Yeah, if we could break here, if we can break my trend line, we'll be good. We got some more selling coming into the market now. It's kind of like a triple top right there. More selling. All right, here comes the break of this trend line here. It's a good short. It's a good short. There's a lot of selling coming into the market. Yeah, we're also kind of we gotta fill at 14. Oh, is that an eval account, or is that or is that your funded the top specs? Okay, gotcha. Yeah. I think this will print. We're breaking down. I just didn't want to be after I might have taken that had I not taken that initial first trade and taken a loss. So I kind of want to be a little bit more patient. But I want to see us close below this trend line. We close below the trend line, we'll come back up and hopefully we'll retest, put in that inverse head and shoulders pattern, or we'll just continue to sell here and I'll miss it, and then I can go cry in a corner somewhere. That'd be great. I'm joking. I'm kidding. I was a little bit too early on the short. I got good confirmation though. It just didn't break down, and now the market's sliding down. It's a really aggressive pop back to the upside right there. That was a real aggressive pop. Now let's see what we do. Well, I fumbled the shorts. It's all good, Void. You ain't fumble no shorts yet. They can always come back up. I'm looking at this as yeah. I'm looking at this as shoulder, head, come back up, create one more shoulder, and then call it a day to the downside. Maybe I can catch a little bit, or we could retest this side of the trend and then fail there as well. That could also happen. But the market is we're coming back up. That was a pretty aggressive candle back to the upside right there. We'll see. Yeah, this I may get in this as well with you, Valdez. If this starts to slide down from here, we got VWAP and the trend line. That's a good that's a good area to try short. Looks like we're trying to come back up here for a second. See what we do. Some more aggressive buying come into the market. Potentially. There's some more buying coming in. Oof. Yeah. Yeah, we're coming back up, but just looking at this 5 minute. I'm just gonna be patient, patiently wait for this thing. It looks like we want to come back up, so let's see what we do. Yes, this 5 minute candle is looking pretty bearish right now. Just looking at the 5, but the market's still trying to rally. It's another failure. All right. Trying to short here. Stop's gonna be above this high. I'm hoping to see a slide. We got to break below this 87. We break below 87, and we'll be in good shape. Now let's see, what is my target going to be? First target is just going to be those lows down there at 73, and then I'll go from there. We continue to sell. Yeah, if we slide through 50, all right, we're sliding through 73. Okay, that's a nice slide through 73. All right, I'm still in this trade. Nice slide through 73. See if we can't get through 51 now. 51's the next like kind of target that I have. Yeah, yeah. For this trade to make sense, I gotta at least get 30 points. So I'm up about 23. I'm about 23 points right now. Really wish I would have taken that first loss, but whatever. Yeah. All right. I'm up a 2-1 right now. I would show you guys my screen, but I kind of can't switch it right now. But I'm going to break even. So I can't lose on the trade. I want to try to go for 70 points, to be honest with you guys, but we're kind of in an area where I think we may start to bounce. So I just want to be a little bit careful here. We just put in a new low. So I'm just kind of trying to see what we do here. Yeah, I like 52. If we can break through here. Yeah, my finger's on the trigger here though. I want to see us break this area. You got a much better entry than me, so. Yeah, if I start to see some buying, I'm gonna get out because I'm just looking at the tape. I don't like what I'm seeing on the tape. I want to give it a couple more seconds. I don't like this candle that we're getting right here. Nah, I think we're buying up. All right, I'm out there. All right, I'm out there. I'm out there. Secure 200 on that trade. I didn't like the way that we're out there at the bottom, so just go ahead and that covers for my first loss. So I'll take that. It looks like we're gonna bounce from here. We're just looking bullish down here. Could be wrong. Could have covered early, but can't be mad at taking profits. So I'll take that. Nose News Mondays. I think I'm going to be range bound today. Maybe, I don't know. I wasn't willing to give it anything more, so I took it. Didn't exactly get a 2-1 because I closed it a little bit late, but that's fine. Profit is profit. I'll take it. Back to being green on the day. So FOMO getting me all kind of stuff. Yeah, I think this was a good area to cover though. Yeah, I think this was a good area to cover. I think we could come back up and potentially. I caught a little bit of that. I caught about 20 points. I was up 30, but I gave back 10. I got in late. No, I got all the way out. I wanted everything. I think we actually want to bounce here and go higher, potentially. Did it really? I wasn't even looking at it. Oh, yeah. Yep, and they sure did. Yep. Meanwhile, we dumping again. And damn, yep, we should have held about it. It's okay though. Yeah, we were at these lows and we were bouncing. I thought we was about to find buyers. I was like, It's like I'm already. I was already up a 2-1. I kind of gave it back, and I was like, let me just take it all, and I'll look for another opportunity. Trying to follow rules. If that's the case, I should be done for the day. But damn, there's a lot of plays to be had. The market just opened. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. And go ahead. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I agree. This is where we basically hit my target. I was targeting, yeah, I was targeting 53. I think it was. I thought we could bounce right here. It just looked like an area. Plus, we had that strong rally candle at 11:20 overnight. So I was like, yeah, they'll probably come and take this, and this is probably. I mean, we could go lower. It looks like we want to slide even lower than this, but yeah, I'll take it. It's a good first trade. Not no. I got stopped out of the initial trade and then I re-entered at open, or not at open, but we rejected the trend line. I was looking for us to come back up, but once we started to fail at that trend line, I was like, yeah, nah, this is the retest of that trend line. I'll go ahead and take a quick little short for scalpy scalp. But yeah, looks like we might get a bounce here, but I'm still not really interested in taking longs though. We just broke a lot of structure to the downside, so just kind of see what happens. Custom, are you green on the day? Is that what you're trying to say? You're trying to follow your rules and be done for the day, or did you hit your max loss, or what? Like what's stopping you? Because honestly, the way I look at it is, if you see an A+ setup that's within your system, you know what I'm saying? Then just take the trade. Like, it's the worst that's gonna happen. You could lose a little bit of profit. If you hit your max loss on the day and that's your rule, that's different. But he said yes, I murdered that short. Okay, good. Custom, help the channel, smash that like button. Thanks for the show. Thank you, Custom. Appreciate you. And yeah, if you see the opportunity, take that shit. Like, who cares? No, like, your rule should be, I'm taking A+ setups, right? Don't make your rule about the money. Make your rule about when you see a play that's in your system, you take it, right? The only time I wouldn't do that is if I hit my max loss on the day. Then I'd be like, damn, I see this. I'll just journal this as a potential opportunity for the next time somebody need to wait for. That's what I would say. Mr. Pot Scrapers, you know, you got that from a song, didn't you? What's up? No. I don't want a long market here. I don't. Yeah, I definitely would not.
Damn, GameStop, $31, $32.
Ooh, yeah, they going ham.
They going nuts on this thing. They're like, yes, our leader is born. It's reborn.
Good Lord.
This candle is nuts right now. They did halted this thing twice already.
Mr. Pot Scrapers caught the dump off that fair value gap. Custom says 1,200 on that last short. Let's go with 3 top step copied evals.
Let's get it.
We about to get another dump. We need to come back to 18,297. 18,2. Okay.
Yeah, I can see that.
What? Yeah. We're about to break this downtrend, and we're about to put in It looks like we're about to put in a really nice inverse head and shoulders. I'm not gonna lie to you. This inverse head and shoulders looks really pretty on the 1 minute. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. This candle formation down here at at 946, 947, like that's what scared me about where we were looking to take profit in the last one. That's what was concerning, but it's all good. It's all good, B. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I gotta see if I was gonna take this long, I'd want to see the lower high be put in, especially after that bullet or that bearish dump we just got. I definitely want to see.
The bear flag. Yeah, I told you the bear flag was valid. Oh yeah, yes. That was the top of it. That was if we failed to get above that yesterday's high. That's I actually put that in my plan too. I was like, this is resistance, not supply, because it's a weak high. But if we fail to get above it, then that the 4-hour demand isn't truly valid. But I'm more so looking at this area as just consolidation, right? So we're accumulating between that high that's a weak high and the low that's technically a weak low. So one's got to break. I'm betting on the high break. But yeah, no, I agree with you. The formation was 100% a bear flag. Agree. I know, right? Like bear flags ain't bear flagging, bro. Bull flags is the only thing that matter right now. Whose birthday is it? Justin?
No, it's not my birthday.
Whose birthday?
It's Jonas.
Oh, happy birthday, bro. How old are you? Like 60?
He's a ripe age of 35.
You know, the market turned you about 60 over a period of time. I feel old as hell trading this market, bro.
Yeah, Hobbs put so much time in the charts. It done sucked about 10 years off his life. You know what I'm saying?
It took about 10 years off my life, bro. I didn't accelerated my trips to the MRI shop.
To the ER. He went and had heart failure looking at the chart one time. He said, I can't breathe.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah. He said, guys, I gotta go. I can't breathe.
Yeah, fat doctor. Yeah. Yeah, he did.
I cannot confirm nor deny. I will not confirm nor deny that sentiment.
Doctor got him. He can't even speak right no more. That's just work.
Relax. No, I'm no look. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy. No Diddy.
All right, if we can trade back above settlement here, guys, at 279 and close this 15-minute candle fairly bullish, I'm gonna be looking to trade 50% of this 15-minute candle on the retest. Basically looking to trade that right shoulder. I'm looking at this 15-minute as potentially being the head of the inverse head and shoulders. And depending on what we do after this, let me see what it looked like on 1 minute actually. Before I say
man, yeah, this is.
We need to trade above the two. We need to trade above 283. Yeah, I'll stand by on longs.
No, I think
I like the longs, but this might be the shoulder here. This might actually be the shoulder that we're putting in, not the head. We might come down one more time looking at the 1 minute.
Yeah, I if you look at the tape though, like, and you see how we swept and we came back in and like the small red bubbles there. That's what I really like to see. And now that we've seen that, and then those like 1, 2, 3, like 5 consecutive green bubbles push out, I think now we'll come back down, retest those buyers, and see if we can't hold. And if we can, then I think long should be good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch for the structure to break. If structure breaks up 284, then I'm interested. But if we don't break structure, then I'm just gonna allow this to kind of do its thing. I think we get one more sweep down though. Maybe sweep those lows, go back down to what was that PM session from yesterday?
Here comes a strong selling back down here. Let's see if this holds.
More selling.
Nope. I was right. We coming down lower.
We don't take that high, man. I'm not interested. We take the high, I'll be interested. 250, they're loading up on the tape. Looks good. But I want to see us check out that high right there. Get above 284, I'll be interested. There's a huge liquidity sweep again right there, though.
Yeah, we also got a CVD divergence right there as well.
Oh, God. This thing's at 33.29 now. No signs of stopping on GameStop. GameStop is losing its freaking mind.
Yeah, it's up 90% on the day already. It's nuts. That's nuts, especially if y'all come from the option world. Being up 90% is insane.
Yeah, on the stock versus the option, gosh, yeah, you're printing right now on the option.
Yeah, dependent. Well, wait, but you know what though? They manipulated the hell out of those options. Though remember like to get in the money and the spreads was like horrible on GameStop. I don't know if they've changed it now, but remember that?
Yeah, I remember. That's why I started trading AMC. It was just easier to get in because it was such a lower price. Yeah, here comes that second push out of here. Yeah, that was definitely a good defense by the buyers right there. Let's just get above the high.
Yeah, we got a minute left in this 5-minute candle. Looks like we want to continue to push out though.
Yeah, looking strong. Looking really strong here. I like it. I missed out on the first down move. I trade like a biatch on my funded account. But yeah, it's all good, man. We all get a little stage fright on the funded. It's normal. Ryan says he had a full head of hair when he first started trading. Now I have a reverse fade. Healthy. I've been rocking that reverse fade for years. Winning trades makes you look better, though. Facts. Say you didn't lose anything, Miguel. Let's go, baby. Eat. Let's get it. Good job, brother. Good job. It's all good, bro. All right, 15-minute candle just closed here. I like 269. I really like Valdez's entry right there on the longs. I want to retest down here. Try to beat his entry though.
That is a really good 15.
Oh, it's gonna go. This is the low. So I'm trying to get an entry here. I want us to come back down to like 273, 269 ish, but I don't know if we're gonna come back down. Yeah, we should be able to get back down there. That's a nice close above 283.
Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking. Wait, where do you want it to get down to?
269, 25.
Okay, good. I'm looking for 268. $268. Let's go.
Doji candle looks good to come down a little bit. Break the low here at 281. Come on, don't leave this area. Don't do it. Just don't leave. He doesn't want to come down. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. I know you want to leave, bro. Just come down one more time with the shoulder in.
It's another CVD divergence right there. This one was way more clear.
All right, it's too far gone for me to try to enter here for the way that I want to trade it. But we can come back down to 270, 269 area. I'll look to trade it. If not, I'll let it go. He looks aggressive on the tape though. You got yeah. Yeah, you about where I'm at. Yeah. He said, I got my limit at 273. I got my limit at 269 on the dot. I'm like, just come right here. We good. Like we straight. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't asking for much. Just do your job. Do your freaking job. That's all I'm asking. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it. I ain't asking. I ain't asking. I ain't asking for much. Yeah, nah. I'm good. What if I just choose to run from here? 18,269. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful trade. Like for me, I'm just not gonna. I'm just working on like not FOMOing, right? Like and just letting my trade ideas play themselves out, right? Like I'd rather if I'm not gonna take the early entry, then I have to be patient, right? That's the only thing. Like if you're not gonna take the early entry, you have to be patient because sometimes it'll come right back to you. Sometimes it'll bait you to get in late, right? So okay, if this one's gone, then I just missed this trade, right? I know I got another macro at 1150. You know, I got another macro, you know, in the PM session, right? I can be patient. You know, I wait all day to take losses. Why not wait on my win? You know? You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck is the difference? You know what I mean? Like, you wait all day to get your ass whooped anyway. You might as well wait and be patient for a good trade. Just keep waiting. That's how the market gets you. It's like shit. Like, and when I buy up here, I know what happens, right? Like I know what's gonna happen the minute I hit the buy button up here. We're gonna get the best reversal we've ever seen, right? You know what I'm saying? Like you already know what's gonna happen. The minute you hit the buy button all the way up here, it's just gonna be like, got it, you know, and it's gonna come right back down. So I'm just like, nah, I'll wait. I know what I want to trade. I know what my trades look like. I know it because I review this market every single day. So the market's gonna give me what I want, or I'm just not gonna trade it. All right, we're coming back into that point of origin at 299 right there on the 1 minute. We got all of that cluster of consolidation. Maybe at the end of this macro at 1010, we can start to see price trade back into 269, which is where I have a limit order to buy the market. I like the fact that we changed character above. We put this double bottom in here. I like the liquidity sweep down from 937 into 947. I like everything about this trade to potentially reverse the market here. I just want one more dip into 269, and then I'll be ready to trade it.
Yeah, I kind of have two plans right now. I'm looking at. Ooh, we're coming right back down though. If we come back up, 230 is where I'm looking to short, or 320. Sorry, 320 is where I'm looking to take the market short again. We create a nice 15-minute supply zone there. Within a 15-minute supply, within a 4-hour supply, within a 5-minute supply. So there's a lot of supply up there.
Bro, deception, bro.
Yeah, it's supplyception. So
no doubt.
I'll look for shorts there. And then the pullbacks. I do want to see if we pull back long. If we pull back to 268, that's where I'm looking to take the market long. And then real fast, I'm gonna skip over y'all because Trading Yoga Girl says thoughts on ES. It's pretty much the same thing, honestly. Like we broke a lot of structure, so I'm looking for a retest of where all that selling started to potentially put in a higher low. No, lower high to come down lower, right? But we do have this hour demand zone down here that we almost bounced at, so that's something to be aware of. That we have that hour down there, and then there's another hourly below it, but. Yeah, I like the longs down at the low if you would have been able to catch those, but if you didn't catch them, then I think we could be making we could be in a starting a potential downtrend, because if you look, we couldn't break above this previous high here. So because of that, we failed, basically double topped actually. That's pretty bearish. So until the market gets above this high, I'm still going to be kind of somewhat bearish on the market until then. So yeah, that's at least my thoughts on ES.
Yeah, I think Justin is in his controlled bearish mode, right? Where he understands that the market isn't bearish. He's just looking for bearish scalp opportunities, which I think is the right thing to do below that high right there. As far as the overall market, I do not think we're going into a downtrend. I don't think that's what he's saying either. Right. In regards to ES, however, what I would be looking for is a retest in the 5250, 75, right? Like that's where I would be looking to take part in this downtrend or in this uptrend, right? However, the aggressive selling at the highs, right, and us not bringing new highs and getting above this area, we could see ES trade all the way back into the 90-minute demand at 5244.75. Notice how NQ's already at settlement and below. But ES hasn't come down to settlement at 52.46. It also hasn't come down to this exact structure from Sunday, right? Tokyo's low, right? NQ's already done that. ES hasn't gotten there yet. So the question then becomes is ES going to come down and retest this demand zone before we go, which will bring us another sweep on liquidity for NQ? Or is ES going to hold value and create a new demand zone based off this consolidation here? So for me to participate in price, I'd be looking for 52.50.75 on ES. On NQ, like I said, I'm looking for basically this area to hold from 69 to 73-ish on a nice pullback. If I don't get it, then I just missed the trade, and it's okay, right? Like I've lost plenty of trades. I've won plenty of trades. The trade that I wanted to take was the short this morning, and then just basically reverse my position and go long. But when I came in here, like I was still kind of getting my bearings together. I wasn't going to just jump into a trade. The trade that I probably should have just jumped into was already taken off. Like the double bottom looked good. Everything looked good about this trade. I just wasn't ready to trade it. We're getting somewhat of a bear flag pattern here on the 1 minute. So if we can't hold above 300, I think we come down to retest 70. And then 273 is what I'm looking for. Good plan for the morning. No trades yet. Yeah. Thoughts on ES really quick. That was funny. It's funny. I just done money on Thursday. Yeah.
That was
AMC's crazy, man. AMC's wild. It's at 34.80. It's almost at $35 right now.
Oh, it gapped up to 30. It gapped up.
Oh, it did. It gapped up to 38.
Or 38. Yeah, it gapped up to 38, and then it's starting to flush. It was up like I think it was up like 150% or something like that at one point.
We do wait on losers. We do. We'll hold a loser. Like we'll sit there and just be begging for the market to go the other way, right? If you're in short, you're begging for the market to go down, right? And you're loser, right? You're really patient with your losers. With potential winners or like trades that you know the area where you want to trade that increases your win rate, you don't wait on it. We be like, you know what, fuck it. If it's gonna go there, I'll just absorb that stop. And it's like, bro, why? Just wait for it to come there. you know, and that's the stage of my trading I'm trying to get past, right? So just waiting on my entries. Would your 54 entry be 249 based on the pre-market plan? 54 an entry. Yeah. Are you talking about ES? Yeah, if you're talking about ES, yeah, 250.75. My pre-market plan, I'm looking for 244.75. But as you can see, NQ already tapped into the 4-hour demand, which means that NQ dropped a little lower already. So if NQ decides to push, it could fuel.
He's talking about NQ.
Oh, 249.
They're both at the same. They're literally both at 5,250 and then 18,250. So let's see where the mistake.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yes. He's looking at 50% of the 4-hour demand zone, Jay, that I drew. Yes, 249 ish, right? Or we got settlement, right? Settlement is 256, and you can see we tapped right off 256, right? And remember, I told you guys on the higher time frames, it's the same thing. Like I'm looking for the middle of this range. It doesn't have to be exact, right? But
sure.
I mean, that's exactly where we're at right now, right? We came down to 52, 3 points.
That's a good short, Mr. Pot Scrapers. That's a good short. I actually like your short. I just don't know if we're gonna break down here, but based off of the tape and what I'm seeing, I like your short.
I like your short too. I want us to come down aggressively.
Also, David, he didn't realize his chart wasn't showing. I switched it, so
I apologize.
His chart was on there when he was talking about it. It just was a little bit late.
My bad, guys.
Yeah, I like your short though, Mr. Pot Scrapers. The bulls are defending down here too. There's a lot of buying. I'm seeing a lot of buying at the tops of the range, but no follow through up here. So definitely could come back down for sure. I like your target too. You're not asking the market for too much. We just got extremely wiki. Extremely wiki. Yeah.
Wiki.
When you say that, think of Transformers.
Buying this shit all the way up. Look at those wicks in that consolidation.
Yeah, there's a lot of wicks, and I personally, the only reason why it would be tough for me to get an entry over here is because of the fact that like we got wicks to the downside, we got wicks to the upside. If I'm not in up here or down here, I'm passing. I would not be looking to start a position. Although I do think we might. I don't know. It's kind of tough to tell right now where the market's trying to go. So
I remember trading this, wondering they're manipulating price. They're selling down. It hit 37, and they wanted to sell it down. It's like, no, bro. We just hit 4-hour supply, and we're coming down because we absorbed all that liquidity up there, and then we're gonna go right back up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just watching GameStop at AMC, just reading the structure of the market.
Oh, like, we're also at the pocket as well.
I didn't do anything. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
I was just telling spot skippers. We're at the pocket as well. So.
Oh yeah.
Oh good. He was in them.
Your charts on YouTube when you talking about it. Come on, David. You know I always put my charts up there. If I don't put them up there, it's because I didn't realize they weren't up there. You know I always put them up there. Keep me level-headed. Yeah. Stay calm is calm, man. Like calm. The market will give you what you want. You just have to be patient enough to wait. Went short at 295. Good job. 257. Good. Yes, Mike.
I think we're just consolidating to try to figure out a way.
And then 50% of that zone sits at that 229. So I saw what you're talking about. But yeah.
Nah, here comes the buyer.
I look for, but I mean, it's an estimate, right? Like we went within 3 points of 249. Like if the structure's there, you take the structure, right? So don't wait for that exact price, right? You wait for the opportunity, and the opportunity was there. It was identified by multiple things, right? So the opportunity, right here, let me blow this up right here so you guys can see. So the area that we were discussing, anywhere from 270 through 227. Remember, the plan says I'm looking to see buyers defend anywhere in this range, right? It doesn't say I'm looking to get long at 270 or 249, right? Or 230. No, at that point, you're looking for opportunity. Well, the opportunity is right here, right? So this was, let me take this off. This was structure consolidation right here, right? Structural break above this consolidation here, right? Previous high, previous low right here, right? So this is the structure that got broken, right? Well, let me take some of this off. Inside of this 1 minute area, this structure got broken right here. So previous high, previous low, we tapped back into 260 and we left the building, right? I didn't mark it out fast enough, so I didn't catch it. So now I'm like, okay, well, now we're building more structure to go higher. Are we gonna retest this area right here? Probably not, right? We might, but it might be later in the day, right? Therefore, I just missed the trade, and I'm okay with that, right? I'm not gonna go in my car and cry, like, because I know I won't miss every trade. The one thing that I noticed on Friday, I had traded well 4 days in a row. And the one thing I noticed on Friday is I had a lot of distractions, right? A lot. It's not an excuse, but there's things to be recognized when you have distractions. Just don't trade. Just wait, right? Just be patient and wait. Had I just waited, I mean, my dog did shit in my office, so I thought it was a pretty good distraction, right? So, like, if I just waited, I would have got what I wanted, and I wouldn't have took a bunch of L's, right? Like, today, I knew I had another distraction. My kids needed a ride to school, right? I made my son a chicken parm sandwich. I'm bringing my daughter, you know what I mean, like food later. So I know I'm a little bit distracted. So I'm not catching everything that I would normally catch. I wrote my pre-market plan. I gave it out to the Discord, right? I'm not catching things that I normally would catch. And because of that, I'm not going to chase this. I'm not going to get into this. Just be patient. The market will provide me another opportunity. I know it will. It always does, right? So just be patient. If you want to trade this, by all means, take it. I ain't telling you not to. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, you know? So.
Yeah, and make sure if you have a dog, you take him out before he takes a shit in your office. Because,
you know, he took two shits this morning and his ass is asleep. You say what, brother? Oh, you like it? Chicago? Yeah.
You have no input because you have a bias.
You know what? You know what, though? My wife chose the name. Like, we were going back and forth between what is it? Polar bear, polar.
Y'all had grizzly.
Y'all and then my wife wanted Kodiak. None of us could agree, and then finally she came up with Chicago, like for Chicago, and then my cat's name is Bear. So I was like, that's actually very clever.
That does sound better than Kodiak. I would have X-named Kodiak immediately.
I did too. Dang, I didn't think of that. But you know, that's more of the trading thing. Like I wanted the dogs to be separate from my trading career. I wanted it to be something for the family, right?
Yeah, but you had the Bears and you had the Bulls. I think he meant this whole Chicago theme, not so much like trading.
Oh, Bulls and Bears. Yeah, that would have been nice. But it wasn't a Chicago theme. Like the thing is, like it's a Chicago Bear. I can sit. I don't know. It worked out.
Well,
loser. Boy says for real. When you in a loser, you remember there is a thing called praying. Yeah, I pray every morning. But yeah, I know what you're saying.
Well, now what you can do is
on his mouse.
you can go ahead and buy him a Caleb Williams jersey, and then you can paint his nails. That way, you know he's got the full Caleb Williams.
I don't know why you keep hating on my man painting his nails. I do not care if that man paint his nails. If he wear dresses to work. Like I said, we used to that in Chicago. We dealt. No, that's not. I never even said that. I said I don't care because we dealt with it as Chicago fans with Dennis Rodman. So like. Dennis Rodman helped bring us championships. So hey,
you know that's a good point. I forgot about good old Dennis.
We used
that
to
man, that man, wow, that man, crazy. Yeah, he a fan. He a fan.
255 will be taken out if we dump and go lower. Yeah, I think this is gonna be an area to get short for sure here. I think I'm starting to like shorts here, but I also think that we've changed character as well. So you know, if you're gonna short it. It's kind of like, hey, I mean, we already started going down. That's a nice double top right there at 304 too. So it's just not in my plan, but I like it. I like it here at 302. This actually is. Yeah, I like this area for shorts.
Yeah, I'm looking at the short opportunity as well. I'm just kind of waiting, to see what we do.
And we came up here super choppy.
Yeah, that last like 10 minutes, 7-ish minutes, those candles were ugly. Ugly.
Facts. Until
I think it's just
Wednesday.
a pull-
Until
this is a
Tuesday and
pullback.
Wednesday. The big dogs speak tomorrow, so
Yeah, at like what, 10 or something?
yeah, 10.
It's so random, man. So random. What do you gotta say? Why he coming out before CPI? Why can't he keep his mouth shut?
Justin low-key upset. Why is he even here?
Yeah, wow. And then on top of that, do it during the market, like during market open. Like you couldn't have started talking like before the market opens or like after the market closes. You got to talk at 10 o'clock. Like, come on, dog. We know what you are.
He's trying to talk this market up. Why he can't talk on CPI day? I feel like that would make more sense. But he talking
Nah. Because if he talks on CPI day, you know the market can go real crazy because they're gonna want to know what he thought about CPI.
No, Trader Yoga Girl. I did not send my son in with the frozen meatballs last. Hey, them frozen meatballs hitting though. We made the sauce from scratch. So, and I wasn't planning on doing meatballs, but I did the grocery shopping too. Normally my wife does the grocery shopping. So I did the grocery shopping too because it was Mother's Day, and when I go grocery shop, I be throwing all type of random shit in the basket. And I was like, I wasn't planning on doing meatballs, but shoot, these already made. And they was fire for some already made meatballs. I'm not gonna lie. I normally do my meatballs from scratch, but invalidated it for doing the next stop.
Why'd she say that? Shay said he'd never go into the store again. Oh, that's because you
all
normally don't go, right?
Yeah, I don't normally go because
okay.
I don't like people, right? And like two, like I spend like ridiculous amounts of money at the grocery store because I'd be like, we need chips, fruit snacks. Ooh, look at these hot links. You know what I mean? Like I'm like a little kid when I go to the grocery store. So like
bro,
she was on the phone with me like, you do not ever need to go to the store again. I was like, well,
my wife is the one. She go in there with the list and she leave with everything but the list. Got all this extra stuff. Me, you give me a list, I'm going for just the list and nothing else. I'm not buying nothing extra. Whatever you put on that list is what's in the cart, and that's it. I'm trying to get out because I hate going to the store too. I don't like spending my time in there, so it's an in and out thing for me. Hell yeah, it'd be cold. It'd be cold, and then no.
I don't know. I got a speakable face. Like everybody likes to talk to me in a grocery store.
Oh no, I got a resting bitch face. I'm like, do not talk to me.
Everybody try to approach me, bro. Like that's what I don't like in the grocery store. I be like, bro, stop talking to me. Like,
hell yeah, you got to.
But the thing is, I don't. Like I walk around like open, right? And then I end up talking back to them. But inside of my skin, I really don't want to talk to them. And my wife knows that. Right, but she'd be like, "You just so approachable." I was like, "I don't want to be approachable though." Like, what do I gotta do to look like a pit bull?
that's like my wife. Whenever we get on the plane, she always ends up having a whole long conversation with the old lady next to her that just won't shut up the whole time. I got my headphones in, I'm chilling, I'm on my phone. She's like, "Save me!" I'm like, "You did this to yourself. I'm watching this movie right here."
Ooh, who's getting short? Ooh, who was in them shorts?
No, I'm not short. This thing came up aggressive.
Bro. I'm telling y'all, this market coming, bro. There ain't nothing stopping it. Like the VIX is failing. This thing is at 1355 and dropping further. Like, ain't nothing stopping this market yet. I'm not sure this shit. I like the idea, but once we take out that high up there, that shit dead.
Did they hold GME again? Because it gapped again.
Yep.
They halted it to the downside. You would think that they wouldn't want to do that. They halted it
back to the downside. Yeah, I was about to say they halted it third time, but it was down to the downside. Twitter going crazy right now.
Oh yeah. The only reason why I knew what was going on, I saw your post in the Discord, and then I was scrolling through YouTube, and the Mask Investor made a video about Roaring Kitty coming back, and I was like, I already know what GME is really about to be on.
Know what's about to happen.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's what I need to be on, Trading Yoga Girls. She said she go in, thank God for self checkout. She go in with sunglasses and a trench coat.
Oh Lord.
Mr. Pies Paper says I should have shorted NQ with 2 minis instead of MNQ, but it's all okay. No, you should stick to your trading plan and your size, brother. Okay, because what happens if it went the opposite?
You'd be down right now. You shorted it with 2 minis. You'd be hurting way more than with micros.
Yep. self-checkout guy peeping my cart. Oh, you like Reese's? You got cake too? No, for real. Like that's why people go to self-checkout, because every time like I'll go for like a specific dinner, right? I love to cook, right? So like I be having like special shit in there, you know what I mean? Like stuff people don't go get, because I be following Gordon Ramsay recipes type stuff, right? So I'll get stuff, and then like, you know, when I go through the regular checkout, I think this is the short right here, but when I go to the regular checkout, please disappear. Like they be like, man, what you cooking? Can I come to your house? Oh, you barbecuing today? I'll be like, bruh, ring my shit up and give me the price. That's your only job. Ask me, do I have any coupons, right? Like this is your job. This is not your lane to ask me what's for dinner, bro. I didn't come here for small talk, okay? Put the shit in the basket. It's because you didn't wear your golden chain, my Halloween chain. That's why they approach you. Facts. Hold on, guys. Let me go check on the dog. It's been an hour. Again, I'm still waiting for about 950, 1050 macro to see what we do. See if we can trade back down into where I really want to trade. So be right back.
Okay, let's see what we do. I don't really have much. I'm just chilling. Missed the long. Shorts is the only option if I want to trade the market. And I'm not looking to short the market right here. So, although Hob might be right. This may be the short coming in here. We're back at the top of that pullback that we caught initially for the initial short that I got in. So for me, I want to see this break this trend line again. I want to see this break down first. But honestly, I would like, you know what? Now I want to see us get back up to 230. I'm not gonna short this if we're not up there. That's why they approach you. Yeah, I trade both. Oh, okay, got you. We have fun here. No need to push setups. This helps just hanging out with you guys. Yeah, I mean, it's not me really pushing the setup. I would take it, but I think I'm just gonna wait till 320. I want to see us retest the 15-minute supply, and then potentially put in that lower high. We're in an uptrend right now, so there's no reason to fight this uptrend. I think every pullback, or I think every sell is just a pullback to go higher at the moment. So I'm just gonna relax until we get back up there, and then kind of see what buyers and sellers do from there. That was during that. Oh, I got you. You shorted MNQ at 930, but you took two or you took micros and not me. Okay, I got you, Postscript.
Here comes the bigs, maybe, possible.
Oh, here comes GME trying to rally. What's AMC doing? Is AMC getting a sympathy rally?
It's rallying. It's not rallying like GME is.
Yeah, it's up 17%.
You know, it takes some time. If anything, I put like $400 or $500 in it right now and just let it sit. I wouldn't buy options on it just yet. You might get smoked. I buy shares right now.
Yeah, I want to see I just wonder what the option chain looks like for GME right now.
Calls.
Well, I know that. I'm talking about the spreads. I don't care about that.
Lots of calls.
So this is kind of an interesting take here.
She said she didn't mean pushing setup. She meant her.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, well, you're also trading
setups.
Yeah, you're also trading ES right now, and ES is looking extremely weak compared to NQ, like extremely weak.
No, I think her point was she likes being here.
No. I know. I know what she's saying. I was just saying that like ES is looking extremely weak right now. I think ES is about to fall.
I think NQ's about to fall.
No, it is. It's always crazy because I'm like, damn man, like NQ's rallying right back up to where I want to short it, and I go over to ES and be like, damn ES, where you at, bro? You supposed to be up at least like 10 more points right now. Yeah. ES is not looking good right now. And Q. I just realized we're trading inside a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Well, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap about to print. Golly. Look at these cells. Oh my God.
Yeah, once I saw that candle print, I was like, this is the shorts right here. I was like, I gotta go check on my dog, but these shorts is coming in right now. We'll see.
Maybe.
Coming down at 269. That's what I want. Almost there. At 269, yep. Yes, I do, sir. You leaving me in the dirt, folks? He said I took mine off.
That's always my thinking, Jonah. Anytime we get far enough away, I'm like, man, we go back down here. This is about to be not the move.
I feel that. He said I took mine off. We got too far away. Fuck all that. We come back down here. It's not to go bullish.
Yeah, that looked like a hellified defense by these bulls, though. I ain't gonna lie. Down there.
It's just starting to get stronger, though. I might just take it off and wait to see what we do down there. Nah, the VIX has been in the dirt. I mean, it's up on the day, but it's okay. There is the VIX. Yeah, I'm definitely taking this off for now. The VIX is like
the rally.
61, 62. We get back above 70, we'll definitely start to push down a little bit.
Yeah, Nvidia looks exactly the same. It pushed up, and now it's coming right back down. Same with Microsoft. The only thing that's pumping right now is Apple, and it's because Apple is doing its own damn thing. But we'll see.
What's
they should not E-Trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like the purple. That's like they used to have commercials for E-Trade. It's like the purple and green logo. Yeah, I think Massey used to use E-Trade, but you used to need like a lot of money to trade in there, right? Didn't it require like a pretty big deposit at one point?
All right, we come back up to 306. I'm short this shit. No. This is definitely not the short. This is not the short. I don't think this is the short.
I don't know.
It's looking more and more bearish the more I'm looking at this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of starting to look at this thing with bearish eyes. I'm out too. I mean, I haven't traded anything. I'm just waiting to see, because I think looking at the 1 hour, this looks like rejection at the 50% of the 1 hour candle. I think we're trying to come down lower.
Yeah, I'm seeing rejection as well.
Yeah, I think we're trying to come down lower. Failure to get above that high at 937, that high at 937 is big for me. You see what I'm saying? Like we couldn't get above that high at 937, so coming back up to 306, I think would be good, or 301 would be good for sure. I really like the longs though. I really would prefer the longs to come in. I hate the shorts.
What up, Yvonne?
I know they will print, man. You know my problem, bro.
He's too bullish.
Such a bull.
He's
Top
too
of
bullish.
The week, shop fam. What's going on, Yvonne in the building?
He's too bullish for his own good.
I mean, I take shorts. It's not often.
Pause.
What?
Do you take shorts?
What else am I supposed to say, Justin? Like
I don't know. I don't know. Leave me alone.
I don't know anywhere. I don't know another way that I can say that.
Look,
I take them. I just don't You know, I don't like being in them. They just feel ill. They just feel like the wrong direction. What do you want me to say? They always feel like I'm in the wrong direction when I take shorts. Because the minute they stop and slow down, I'll be like, I'm out. I'm out. They feel like they about to just come right back and dump this shit. I mean, and pump this shit. So
take that. Void got it.
Let's see 302. Let's see 302 hits. 302 hits, I'll take it. I like 302.
Yeah, this is a toughie.
Yeah, I like 302. We come up there. I like. Let's see what happens. We're right here. This looks good too. Good,
nice
good.
little rejection right there.
Another double top pattern here.
Some selling starting to come into the market.
Think. Yeah, didn't look like we wanted 301, so I took it up here. Don't act like you know me, Valdez. You don't know me, man. He said you took it. Good, man. Good job. Micros save lives, bro. I'm telling you. They save lives.
Micros save lives.
I'm telling you. People be sleeping on the damage you can do in a personal account with micros. I'm going to be trading mine tomorrow. Or today, if I see something in PM session I like. I would have taken that short this morning, but I had to go take the kids because I was definitely had my live account loaded. I was like, oh yeah, let's go. So
I think this thing still wants up.
Still flat. I ain't feeling it today. That's what she said. Y'all stupid. This is short. Been in there since the open, using the open range for a while. No longs, Hobbs. I'm not long. I'm short. I like the shorts out here too, but if they want to continue to push up above the high, then they'll just take me out. Looking at this wick on the 15-minute, it doesn't look good. But the risk is managed, price is managed. I'm not worried about it. And that mother lover came at 301. See, that's the patient stuff I be talking about. If I would have just waited for 301, I'd have already been in profit. Hit 301.75 on the dot. I did not get 300. Mother, I should have added her. That's what I should have. There we go.
Yeah, you probably should have added.
Justin got it short, y'all.
No, I got short way too late. The market came back up, and I added on that last candle right there.
Oh, okay. You added to your position. Yeah, that's what I would have added. Right there. I like that rejection. It comes back up.
Ends up screwing me, or if it was a good ad.
A bad thing.
I mean, I like the 5-minute candle that we're getting. So
yeah, I don't like the 15, but I like what's happening on the 1 minute.
Let's go for the low. It's like a 30-point move. I'll take that all day. We are just chilling here at the POC, so
Yeah, we wait on 1050 macro here. See what we do. Yvonne, I thought you were in the Discord. Trading Yoga Girl says, Yvonne, I thought you were in the Discord. Thank you again. You gifted me the Discord. This group has been so good for my trading in a short period of time. I appreciate the blessings from you. Oh, see, Yvonne, I don't pay the girls to say this. They say it every time, right? Like every time, right? You swear I be paying y'all to say this. I don't pay them to say it. Technically, you paid her to say it.
He changed it already.
Technically,
this time it was your fault.
Was looking at thank you and couldn't find you. Yeah, he's on Twitter. Oh my God. All this liquidity coming in at the lows. Like, just take it out.
These bulls, they're like, yeah, we don't want to let it go.
If we could flush through it, would be fine. I don't know, but just dumb, bro. Yeah, right now. These bulls are looking like they want to come back up.
Yeah, we're just playing at the POC. Woo. Lower high.
5 minutes. I don't like any of this. It's the most uncomfortable position I've ever been in. I do not like it. I'm getting out. Fuck this. I'm getting out.
Yeah,
I don't like it. I do not like these shorts. I don't like them. I don't like them at all. Every time I get in them, I just feel so icky. That's why I don't short. Y'all wonder why I don't short? That's why. Because every time I get in, they just so like, bro, like come on. Look at these wicks at the lows, bro. Forget about it. No shorts, bro. I'm done. Done with the shorts. If it flushes. I'll pick it up when it's ready to go back long. Anytime we try to sell, we just buy this shit up so fast, bro. Nope. I ain't doing it. You in short? Yeah, I was in the shorts. I didn't like it, so I cut it. Break even. This feels too choppy. Yeah, we're at the point of control here. We could still sell down. I just didn't like it. I just feel so much more comfortable when I'm long in the market. It's the true direction of price right now. All right, here comes the shorts coming in now. Hopefully Justin can eat on this trade because I was too much of a BITCH to hold it.
Yeah, I'm still in, but I'm not liking the bouncing at the lows, but I deleveraged a little bit.
I ain't getting in. I ain't standing.
Yeah, we just keep buying down here.
Every time we
we're
come
at the
down,
pot though, so it makes sense. It makes sense that we're messing around here at the pot.
No.
only when he's long.
Only when I'm in the long do I walk away.
When he's short,
I be like, nah, we might not hit this target. But I'm in the shorts, I be like, I'm not walking away. This shit can pop back up at any time. But I'm in the longs, I'm like, yeah, that's good money. We good. I'm out. I see y'all tomorrow. I see y'all at my profit target. That's it. That's all. When I'm in the shorts, bro, I be so uncomfortable. I'm like, yo, nope. But this is just a core area in my opinion to be starting a position for me, just because this is where the most volume's been traded on the day. So the market's going to consolidate here we're in between these macros, right? So just wait on that 1050 and see what happens. I think we continue higher, man. Because the more I look at this, the more as much as I want to be bearish, every time I think it's time for the market to go bearish, they flip it. They flip mode and go higher. It's like, bro, look at Apple sending. ES looks good to the downside. Maybe ES coming back down to that demand zone will be the next move price.
Man.
Bro, Apple is on some other shit right now.
See, and this is where the BS comes from, trying to short the market when ES is at its low and holding, and NQ is nowhere near the low. It's like, oh my god, yeah. No, Thank you. I am out. Thank you.
I said,
Nope.
I can't do it, bro. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, no. I looked over at ES. I'm like, oh, ES is bouncing at it slow. Nah, I'm good. Thank you very much. Give me my little $20. I'll take it. I'll take that. Thank you very much. I ain't playing around with you, NQ, because NQ's about to rip. Because look at ES. Look at ES. Oh my! Are y'all seeing my? Yeah, y'all look at my screen. I was looking at ES. I was like, wait, hold up. Where ES at? Oh, hell.
I'm looking at them both.
ES
I'm
is
just
at
like,
the low. Shit. You said ES don't look what?
They don't look bearish.
It don't look bullish? No, we look bullish. I'm scared.
This thing is about to go.
Hey, we can now what the heck? They have ultra bonds. We can now star these.
Shorting the market. Mark safe from shorting the market.
I'm Mark safe too. I seen that. I was like, yep, nope. I see where you at. Yes, NQ.
Yeah.
Where's MES?
I don't know if we go. I would love to. I just don't think we're gonna come down that low. Like we held that. Well, we swept liquidity at 281. See how we swept that liquidity at 281, and now we're holding above that sweep, right? So that basically is now the new support. I would love 269 because I still think we're going up, but as long as we continue to hold price here, like. Right now, this is just super chop central. Nope, we're not breaking any highs, but we're not breaking any lows. But we did break the low. We did break the low at 296.
ES looking real juicy right now. I'm telling you that. I'm looking at the long ES.
He said, "Damn, I must be looking at a different ES."
Yeah. Nah, ES looks good. We're consolidating at this low where we previously found buyers, and we're looking good at these lows. I like it.
2 minutes into the next macro. Let's see if we get a sweep and then a push back up. Look at all of this fucking liquidity on the tape. They keep loading up.
Yeah, look at the 5 minute. Oh my God.
Yeah, or today. Getting ready for today. That's the third tap down here.
Yeah, the market pulled in the sideways consolidation.
McDonald's free fries all week. Y'all crazy. Stop out all the buyers in test Friday high. Yeah, I think so too. I think we're coming down just to stop everybody out and then go back up. If you long this, Godspeed. Okay. All right. This might be choppy before PPI and CPI. Yeah, good. I think the market wants back up.
I think the market wants back up too.
I'm gonna let it play out. 18193 looks juicy. You think we coming down to 18193? Shit, I don't see that. I like longs down here, guys. Just saying. Yeah, that man said 193. Shit. I'm gonna let the algo do his job. Down to 193. Shit, that's 200 points away. Not worth putting on risk. I think we're building consolidation to go higher rate. That's what. I think this is a good area to take the market long. I mean, you could when you come back and retest this area. I think it's a good area to go long. But here comes the 1050 macro. We're trading into the macro high. We're retesting the previous high and low that brought us here. So let's see if we reject this macro and start trading down, or do we push up higher and start to trade down in between in 50% of the macro as a higher low. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be curious. I'm very curious to see what happens. Tapping into that 301 area again. The volatility is just so low, guys. Like this is, just takes so long for things to play out. It's like, God, more aggressive buying coming into the market. Bears trying to defend the high. I think we just go higher, guys. That's what I think.
Trade in yoga, girl. I'm with you. We're taking ES. I'm about to take ES for a spin just because I like where ES is at.
Oh, okay.
Take it for a spin. I'm about to whip it. Well, because ES is at its lows compared to NQ. No. This is a good place to be.
I blew an account. I blew 2 funded accounts last time.
Who blew an account over on ES? ES, did you like that? Man.
No, ES did my mental like that. Once I blew the account, once I went over to ES and things just weren't working out, and I realized I could have took the same trade over at NQ and it would have worked out just fine. Yeah, that's what started the tilt. Yeah, that started the tilt. And then, it went down from there. Went downhill from there. All right, here come these bears again at the highs, defending the highs. We're just defending the highs and defending the lows, man. Defending the highs, defending the lows, not taking out any new highs, not taking out any new lows. The market's about to cook this supply or cook this area here and come all the way back down, looks like. Or not. Oh my God. This price action. Or not. What? No, it's more of the same. God. Oh God. This is what happened when the volatility. This is why I hate bull markets. This is why I prefer bear markets, because at least during a bear market, both sides are aggressive. Yeah, because the volatility's higher during a bear market. During a bear market, yeah, but even the longs will play out faster because the volatility is higher. So, think about that's it. That's what I'm saying. And the VIX goes up during a bear market. All we need is, because if the VIX goes higher, then we move further in a day, right? Because the rule of 16, right? So the reason why I like bear markets is because the market is giving much higher ranges. So as opposed to, I don't know, a 60-point or 40-point range on ES, we might have 120 points when the volatility is up to 32 or 40. That's why I like bear markets. You have more opportunity, is all. All right, bears defending the high again, bulls defending the low again. I mean, it's a crapshoot. I think it's going long. The whole chat thinks it's going short. I think we go up. That's what I think. Yeah, so we got a range, right? That's the definition of a range, right? Everybody's long bias, everybody's short bias, so we got a range. I think it's going up.
Yeah, no, I definitely think we're going up.
All right, I'm long. That's the last time we came down here. I'm fucking long. I'm taking this shit off. I just wanted to see us defend that area one more time. I was like, you know what? I'm long, stops at the low, and that's that. And that's shut up. Shut up. It said, is that
yeah, let him.
It said,
let him know about that. Let him know.
Okay. All right. 276 is my stop. 276. What's your stop, Valdez? I don't. You see how you do? Look, when it start getting bullish, he's like, I ain't got no stop, bro. I ain't got no stop. Yeah, I'm going long here.
Pippi said, why you long? You long for what?
That's fine. Well, Pippi don't trade my account. Hobbs trades my account. So Pippi can give his opinion, and I'm gonna give mine, right? So if his analysis doesn't match mine, then it's all good, right? Like the market has to decide. Well, we know Pip. When Pip asks if you're going long or short, and he don't say nothing else, there's a reason for it. Trust that. Trust and believe that. Trust and believe that.
There's a ton of selling right here on ES at the low. Ton of selling. Not being rewarded. We'll see. Well, we're at the value area low on ES. We ran this before. We came back. We're coming back down. We've consolidated here now for like 30 minutes, damn near. And we haven't broken the low. Not to mention, this is a nice support area as well on ES. So, I like the longs here too, but I'm going to just be patient and kind of wait and see if we can't trap some more sellers down here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, come on down here, bro. I'll be waiting on you.
Oh, man.
I'll be waiting to give you my stop and add more. He said, yeah, we on the way. Don't worry about it.
So let me check this.
294.25.
Yeah, they've been doing this thing lately. MES just swept the low.
The high at 337. Yeah, he shorted 300. Stops at 312. I'm certain. I'm certain his stop is at 312. Yeah, put it on the board. Put that shit on the board. No, don't say nothing, Pip. Don't say nothing. Let him keep talking. Don't talk about this. I mean, Pip, don't say nothing. Let him just, he says he has no stop today. So when we run all the highs, when we run all the highs, I'm gonna just be like, one of these motherfuckers is your stop. So don't say nothing, Pip. Yeah, don't say nothing, Pip. You about to get don't say nothing, Pip. Don't say nothing. I'm just looking. Yeah, all I'm saying is that we've been sitting down here. We've been sitting down here for 45 minutes trying to sell this market off, and every time we get to the lows, we pop back up. I know where my stop is. Like bro, bring it down, bro. Bring it down. Either bring it down, right, or tell me where your stop is. Like I want to know where that stop is, because you know where mine is now. It's a $20 YOLO. That's what I thought. I already have it on here. I already have it. That's exactly what I thought. I said his stop is at 312. I know exactly where his stop is. Let's see what happens here. Hey, you know what's gonna be funny, Jonah? We're gonna stop me out and come right back and bounce at 269. I'm gonna throw the whole computer. Yo, Jonah, I'm gonna throw the whole computer out the window if that happens. He's like, motherfucker. It's looking like it's about to do that. Yeah, what are y'all getting swept? I don't know which one, but what are y'all getting swept? Damn, that fire jumped up there. Anyway, you can have fun, guys, when the risk is managed and coming for your stop hops. All right, come on down in. What's your stop, boy? Let's go down already. Where's your stop hops? 270. Everybody in the chat want to know what my stop is. All right, I'm gonna put it on the screen. All right, hold on. Let me see. My stop is right here. Here we go. This is my stop right here. All this fair is in love and war, right? I've been smoking y'all all week, so I'll put this stop in here. You know what I'm saying? But I want to know where everybody else stop is at. Yeah, let's see. Hobbs. Yeah, let me put this in here. Hobbs smoked. There we go. I put Hobbs smoke. That's what I named my liquidity area. 312 is 312 is Valdez. And if I know Yvonne, he trades with a little bit longer stop, so he might be all the way at the high. Yvonne might be at 337. Where's your stop there, Yvonne?
Yeah, he been in long since open. He's or short since open.
Yeah, he might be at 337. But he's been long since open, so his stop is probably at the high. I mean, he's been short since open, so. And then Valdez, get out of here. All right, here we go. The consolidation bets are in. Any more bets? Any more takers? Let's see here. I'll be waiting for you guys at 228. Let's go. 31575. Let me cook. I bet. I'm gonna go cry under the couch. Y'all stupid. My stop is at 309. Ooh, we got another one. Okay, hold on. 309. Here we go. 309. Mr. Pot. We gonna take his pot. Take your pot. Hold on, let me put it in here.
Take your pot. Oh Lord.
Take your pot. Any more takers? Who else is fucking shorting this shit? Come on. Yvonne, what you got? I need to smoke your stop. You got me last time. I know. I've been getting y'all pretty much all week, but you guys got a good chance here. But I'm still looking to re-enter if they do take my stop in all seriousness. So if they take me out here and they sweep back to my original area, yeah, I'm gonna re-enter it. I'm gonna re-enter it. No. All right, that's the sweep right there. Let's see if we hold here. Where 50 at? 50 still in. He got me. I'm still in. Nah. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, hold settlement. Hold settlement. Hold settlement. Yo, stop playing. Hold settlement. Hold it. Hold it. Bro, they look Valdez. If they don't take me out, you need to cut your trade. Put it that way. You need to get out of your trade. That shit is going up fast if we don't take this stop. Yeah. All right, 81. We about 5 points away from our stop here at 76. If we hold inside of this macro, I think we got a good chance of going right back up though. They in the chat saying, "Cookie, get him out." All right, 80. All right, almost. We're still in. We got 4 points away here.
You rubbing his hands together.
They in the Discord rubbing their hands, waiting to take my liquidity. They're like, yeah. All right. And you big hater.
Hey, keep
Let's squeeze this thing out down here at these lows. Let's see if these buyers can come back into this market down here at these lows. If the sellers continue to push price down, hey, chill out, bro. Chill out. Don't worry about that. Look the other way, okay? Look the other way. Don't worry about what the liquidity is doing at the low. Night. Okay, Valdez has officially got out of his trade. Okay, who's next? Jimmy, he's still alive. Who else? Who else wants some of this smoke? Who else wants some of Debo? Get the fuck out of the way. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry, guys. I was just joking, market. Like, if you want to, just slowly crawl back up, I'm cool with that. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to come right back down and take us all out. Look, like, Mark is like, oh, they think they saucy? All right, bet. Oh, no, don't come back down here again. Come on, stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, Valdez is out. Who else is next? Who else is short to market down here? Again, that was a really nice defense by the Bulls. That's a really nice defense by the Bulls down here, but this is a very bad failure at 300, right? So like Jonah is saying, we both could lose this trade. Well, not lose, but we both could be incorrect, right? But I'm holding my stop. My entry is good. I like my stop. Trade is target is 337. So again, we're just gonna trust the process, trust what we got going on here, trust the 1 hour time frame, trust everything that's going on down here, and then just allow the trade to play out. Don't think I'm eliminating your freaking stop off my screen though, Valdez. You put it up there, so it's gonna be up there. I noticed that we haven't heard from Yvonne since though. Boyd
at like what?
Biting nails emoji. Mr. Paz says, I'm gonna go cry under the stove. 5246 was resistance, now support. Let's get it, Trading Yoga Girl. Okay. Justin's probably long over there with you. No trades.
I got long. I got stopped out off my initial trade, but I got back in. So see if this one works out. If not, then I'm probably done trading on this account for the day. I'll be down.
Wrong way, wrong way, Jimmy. Yeah, it's top to be like 2 points. Oh,
nah, I had a 4 point. I had a 4 point stop on ES for that trade.
Was it at the low?
Out. Yeah.
Oh. ES just kept sweeping.
Yep. And looks like we can right back down again.
Market on some bullshit right. Well,
right? Nah, it does. It swept down. It wasn't like
ES wasn't at the low for me yet though. ES is low where I wanted to see it tap into was 52.45 through 46, right? 52.44.75 through 35, and we tapped 52.45.75, so I was off by a point. So if I would have got in that same trade, my stop would have had to be at 52.43. That would have been the low for me, but it depends on where he got in. I don't know where he got in. So.
Yeah, I got in pretty high. Well, not high, but it was in the 50s.
Again, we're still right back into this consolidation. We're trading every time we get away from the pot, we come right back to it, and then we keep finding sellers up here, which doesn't bode well for the trade. But again, like I said, you will hold losers. What's up, brother? You okay? Yeah, but we hold losers, we hold winners. Like ultimately, just hold the trades that you have confidence and conviction in, right? Like, did it suck that I was in drawdown all the way down here and fucking 2 points away from my stop? Yeah, it sucked. But I mean, was my trade invalidated? No, it wasn't. So the invalidation point is 77. My stop is at 76. The market wants to sweep that. I have a contingency plan to re-enter the trade. That's it, right? Could I have gotten a better entry on this trade? Yeah, I probably should have waited for the market to take something and, then get in on that take. But I thought the market was holding value here. We retested this area multiple times, so I decided to take it and put my stop below the invalidation level. And because I'm in smaller size, I can absorb that, I can absorb that risk. So it is what it is. But y'all know I'm just kidding, man. We still ain't, well, what I meant by take something is the low, right? The previous low inside of the consolidation, just to clarify. We took 288, right? 100% agree, 100%. It looks really good on the 15. Mm-hmm. Shut up. You shut up. Shut up. Shut up right now, John. Jonathan sounds so depressed. He'd be like, man, I fucking hate this price action. Shit, we might just stay in this 15-point range all day. It's this price. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro. We try to get you back on the horse, bro. All right, we're pushing up at 294, looking to kind of take out these highs above 312. I think we start to push. Once we get above 312, my target's 337, and then my ultimate target is 473. And here comes the bulls here. Again, looking to take out pop stickers. I was about to turn the computer off. No, I'm not. I'm chilling. Y'all about to turn the computer off. Justin's still in his long. I think he's eating pretty good. Voices facts. I'm waiting for y'all at 228. Okay. Price flipped in a 15 second. We going higher. Yeah, I told you that 15 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago. Once I saw how uncomfortable I was in those shorts, I was like, I'm not short this market. It's not happening. I'm not fucking doing it. If I'm not at the high, oh, here they come. Here we go. Where's Valdez at? Oh, he got us deafened. Okay. All right.
You got to make his little recap.
Yo, Hobbs can talk all this shit he want, but I still made 200. I don't care. That was what you were saying when they was coming for my stop. All right, so now we just got to trade above 312. Again, we've held the trade this long. This is our invalidation point down here, 7.6. No need to go to break even. I'm not moving the stop until we get above my first profit target area at 337. That's the first area to consider selling the market. If we get above there, I think we're gonna rip and finally get out of this supply zone and go for the next supply zone at 473. And I'll hold it all the way into the PM session for that. All right, just passed an Apex eval, popping bottles. Let's get it, Custom Barbecue.
Let's go, Custom.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, Take Your Pot is about to get slapped.
Take Your Pot.
Take Your Pot. His stop is at 309, so smoke session. Yeah, that's one of them. We should speed up when we hit his. And then we should speed up even more when we get to 312, 309 to 3. Yep, that's where everybody stops it. And once we get above 337, it's ball game. All right, Pot, you're out. Ding. Oh, just barely. Oh, he's still in. He's still in by a half a tick. Nah, he's still in. People get convicted when they try to go challenge. You know, market today is just ... Probably the best way to explain it, Ali. Like, but we've been getting the same thing all week. We get this aggressive sell candle. We usually end up, and I think what threw me off is we usually end up taking Tokyo or London liquidity, right? Like this time we stopped dead in the middle of settlement, which makes sense because the previous night settlement was acting as resistance. Now it's acting as support, right? So when we stopped at settlement, right? I said, okay, that's probably the low right there. So what I'm hoping for now is that the market doesn't want to go back down to retest that area. Because if it does, I'll be out of this trade and I'll have to re-enter. But if it doesn't, right, then I'm good to go, right? I could put my stop at the absolute low, but I would rather reposition myself if we're going to come down to the absolute low, right? So that's why my stop's at 76 and not 249.
Yeah, ES already came down to the absolute low and swept it. So
yeah, I'm hoping
that I don't think NQ has to.
I'm still in. Stop still in. I haven't moved my stop. I ain't going nowhere. All right, pot stickers is almost gone. We got to go up here and take him out at 309. We're coming for you, Pot. Smoking bud, smoking day. Hey. Anyway, all right. Update on GameStop AMC. After trading into the 38 range, now all of the non-diamond hand traders are selling down, not realizing that we're probably just selling back into structure to go higher, right? This looks like a higher low on the 15-minute. AMC did approach that $4 range, so it's pulling back to 384. Again, more sellers stepping into the market on our trade here. But as long as we continue to defend the lows, I'm pretty confident that we'll push up. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah, he is just trying really hard to break out of this consolidation range.
Ton of liquidity at the high at 308 on the tape. Market's trying its best to try to defend this, or it's just a bunch of sellers, a bunch of buyers putting their stops up there. to get ready to go higher. So we'll see what happens. Your second entry is at 38314, or you're adding to the position. Okay. Again, I don't dislike your entry. I don't dislike your trade. I just disagree. That's all. Friday was pretty similar. Yeah, I mean, Monday through Friday, we did the exact same thing. If you guys just go look at each day individually, right, and compare it to the previous day, we did the exact same thing all week, right? And I'm not saying like I know exactly what the market's going to do. Like, no, I'm putting my risk on just like you guys. I don't know where this is going to go. I'm just confident in my direction. And if I'm wrong, I'm also confident that my stop is at an invalidation point. So I'm cool with taking losses. That's why I can joke around and play with it. Because the losses don't mean anything to me. It just means that my analysis was incorrect. That's it. It doesn't make me a bad person. It doesn't make me a bad trader. It just means that my particular analysis was incorrect for the target that I chose, right? So if it stops me out, I'm not going to sell the trade right here because it hasn't done anything that I wanted to do yet, right? Like what I want price to do is go take out the high at 337 after taking out 312 and 309. Or I want price to come stop me out at 276. Hasn't done either of those things. So if I sell it right here, I'm not selling it based off analysis. I'm selling it based off P&L. That's the only reason why I would sell here. The only reason. I'm up X amount of dollars and I don't want to give it back. That's the only reason you have to sell right here, right? Other than that, what was your mission? Your mission was to take the high or get stopped out. See, most people don't want to accept the second mission. They're cool with accepting the first mission, getting the profit target. But the mission is twofold. You either, I mean, there is a middle. Don't get it twisted. Like you could take your profit and leave. I'm not saying you only have to hit take profit or stop loss. But that's my mission in my business. My business is take profit, stop loss, unless something egregious happens, right? Where it's just like, okay, the VIX just rallied to 17, right? You're clearly in the wrong direction. It's time to get out of the trade, right? Other than that, let the trade ride out, man. Don't take my pot. It looks good up here for sellers, man. Looks good.
Yeah, the VIX is rejecting though. The VIX is rejecting right now.
I'm still bearish. Yeah. And I think you should be. I think you have every reason to be bearish, right? And I think I have every reason to be bullish, but that's what consolidation is, right? Like the bears have every reason to think it's going to drop, and the bulls have every reason to think it's going to push. I mean, that's literally the definition of consolidation, right? You want the market to sweep 311? It very well could. It just tapped your entry or your stop loss, and now it's coming right back down. See, and this is egregious selling, which is what I want to see. But I want to see buyers step back in and defend it, right? I'm okay with the selling. I just want the buyers to defend it, right? You acting up. If we get back to open range, I'm going all in. I'm not acting up. I'm just, having a good time, man. It's a show. We gotta have a good time. Mr. Pot Scrapers is a fighter. He is. Are you still in, Void? Not gonna lie, the manual lockdown option on Top Step is so good. Yep. I have mine set to automatic. If I'm ever down 600, I get liquidated and kicked out. And I just got to sit there and stare at the screen and be like, damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, they missed my stop the same way they missed Pot Sticker stop, right? They came within 2 points of my stop and came within 0.25 of his stop. So they're just toying around with people. It's like, yeah, just get out. Just get out. Ali says he's up 400 today, locked it and chilling behind the charts. Yep. Hey man, it works beautiful, man. Like I love Top Step X, right? I really love what they got going. I really do. I think it's probably the best platform for traders, right? Your stop is at 315. Okay, you still in? Good. Yeah, I'm still in too, man. Like I'm chilling.
Pump.
I tell you one thing, I won't be trading my live account in this bullshit. Maybe tomorrow we get better price action. Pray, yeah. It's really meant for traders. Yeah, I agree, Ali. I definitely agree. I think Top Step X is really meant for the trader. I think that they really nailed everything that we're looking for as prop firm traders or traders trying to grow as traders, right? So, and I think there's a rumor going out that they're gonna do 10. They're gonna allow you to trade 10 at a time. right? So that's why I'm really working on trying to get all 10 funded at once, right? So unlike Apex, yeah, Apex is not for the trader. Apex is definitely trying to take your money while offering you a cheap opportunity. I hate Apex so much since I jumped to Top Step X. Yeah, a lot of people in the Discord say the same thing. We're coming down pretty aggressively. They're adding liquidity to the sell side, so this may be the end of our run here for the longs. This is a very aggressive push down. Let's see if the bulls want to step back in, or do the sellers want to dump this down past the low here. They might have got the right amount of buyers to push to potentially get the market to push back down. So you want to see this low hold down here at 286. And if 286 doesn't hold, you want to see 278 hold. If all of that is given up, then I was just wrong, right? And that's fine.
Damn, ES got volatile all of a sudden.
Yeah, so did NQ. All right, we're at the end of this macro here at 11:10. We're trading down aggressively to come back down here and take me out. These sellers are definitely looking aggressive on the tape. But let's see if the buyers want to buy it back up. Normally I would add to this position, but because we haven't taken a high, right, and we just continue to stay in the consolidation, I'm gonna stay in the same size. What's up, Jonah? 294. 294. Yo, yeah, 269, dick. What you asking me? He said, what is your... Yeah. A lot of selling coming down at these lows. Once again, not being rewarded at the lows, which is what you want to see if you're a bull, right? All this aggressive selling coming in, but we're not breaking the low, right? So as long as we don't break the low, just stay in the market. If we break the low, then we're just out of the trade. It's that simple. All right, bulls defending again at the low, held again. That's a great hold right there. Great hold by the bulls right there. That's what you want to see.
Fantastic hold.
Yeah, he said fantastic. Oh yeah, that's what you want to see. You want to see that all of that high volume right there that just came into the market, and it doesn't bring a new low. That's a good sign that the market wants to reverse down here. So let's see what happens. I wish that was my entry. I wish that was my entry at 82. That would have been a nice entry. I like that entry much better.
All right, now can we just get up out of here?
Yeah. All right, that's another higher low being put in, potentially on the 15-minute. Now the buyers, maybe they got enough liquidity to push us back up this time. Patience.
Yo. I want to see this 5-minute candle hold. I don't want to see this 1-minute candle close. Oh, that was a horrible close. Okay.
I don't place trades. Yeah, good management of your risk, Emmett. Like at least you're focusing in on what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Trady says I'm killing it, cost 16 points. Woo-woo. I changed some stuff up. I slept through Asia and London and gave New York a try. Yeah. Sometimes it's best to just, trade what you feel comfortable in. If it's London, trade London. If it's Tokyo, trade Tokyo. If it's New York, trade New York. If it's all of the above, then do that. I just realized, like, for me, my sleep was more important, right? Like, my mind is mentally clear, right? So come New York, 6 a.m., if I don't have any distractions, then yeah, I'll take a trade. But I was distracted this morning, right? I was distracted on Friday, and I fucking hit max loss for myself, right? Like, so I didn't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm trading too well to, continuously make these step backwards. Like, no, like just keep doing the same shit, right? Today, I think this is a good trade, but that doesn't mean that I have to win it for it to be a good trade, right? And I think that's the common misconception, right? If I lose this trade, it's still a good trade, right? My risk is managed. My stop is at an invalidation point, and I have a target that's reasonable for the market, right? That's a good trade, right? So if the market fails to get there, I was just incorrect. Doesn't make it a bad trade, So sellers again coming back down. This is a very bad rejection. This is a rejection of my entry at 295 or 294.25, right? So let's see how long we stay down here, or do we start to trade lower, or can bulls actually do something? This is boring. This is very, very boring, but you know, I'm in it. After this, you and Pippi will owe me a GOAT shirt. Okay. So
What's
if we win the trade,
go.
Don't go break even now. I'm not at break even. I need your whole stop. Nope. I'm not at break even. I'm not. My stop is at 76.
He said I need your whole stop.
Well, I like is everyone entry is at an extreme. No one is in the middle getting slapped and down. No, I'm definitely at it in the middle. I'm definitely feeling all of this. I'm feeling the drawdown and the barely up. Yeah, my entry is definitely not as good as you guys. But that's okay. I got in where I thought price was at an extreme. So I was just wrong. I don't like my short anymore. Why? You got this aggressive candle coming down. Oh, that was 2 minutes ago. That was 3 minutes ago. Okay. Good morning, John. How you doing, sir? Bearish breaker. Yeah. I think we're just in consolidation. Like we're longing the lows and shorting the highs. So that's what you should be doing right here. But since I'm in the middle and didn't recognize the consolidation soon enough, I'm just gonna sit and put my stop at the low. I think it's bullish consolidation. Apex is bunk, won't fess up to their third-party glitching on NinjaTrader. Although I passed the eval account, it glitched on me twice this morning. Apex raw dogging mofos taking people's money. 15 million fair value gap. Yeah, Custom Barbecue, a member in our Discord, said it got him a couple times with that as well. So you're not alone. Pot Scraper says 15 minute fair value gap is very strong and price is respecting it. Yeah. I think we're respecting the highs and the lows. I mean, that's consolidation. So I hope we take out those equal lows and dump. Yeah, that's possible. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, the crucial one. Yeah, that's basically what we were saying. Yeah. I still think the market wants to go up. It's not looking good like the Atlanta Braves. It's not looking good for either direction, in my opinion. Like as far as where we're in between. I mean, come on, guys. We're in between 312 and 252. We're roughly I mean, I wouldn't even call 352. I would say 75 and 12. Basically, we're in a 40 point range right now. All right, market continues to sell down.
Nowhere.
You ain't in nothing. So I don't want you to hit nothing. All right, here comes the push down. It looks like they're trying to take our stops here at 76. This is another aggressive liquidity sweep. If you're a bull, you really want to see this defended right here because this would be a really good sweep for price to defend right here. Nope, still in. My trade is not invalidated yet. It's the low. Like, I mean, if it hate you. I thought you was on my team for a second. He's like, yeah. He said, I'll hold on to a true bottom. You know what that means? They coming for that shit. You know what that means? That means you about to get smoked is what that means. I'm praying that they don't come down here. They just say, you know what, this is low enough. Like, we'll just take the low of the range. We're good. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, it's low enough. You know what I mean? Like, we don't need to look. No, it's not. It's so not. The market's like, bro, if you think we're not coming for that stop, you got another thing coming. All right, I'm stopped out. Good job, guys. Good job, Yvonne. I just got stopped out at 276. Hobbs has got wrecked. I have been destroyed by the market, ladies and gentlemen. Good trade. Good trade, Yvonne. Good trade, pot stickers. Make sure you guys hold and get it. Hold on. I said hold on. Amtrak is coming for you. Good job, guys. Good job. It tapped my stop right on the money. Again, still not breaking through this ultimate low right here, though. So I may look to reposition myself for the longs if we come back down and we hold. Nah, what? Okay. I mean, that's your thesis. That's not mine. That's your thesis. That's not mine. He said no.
Yeah,
no more lows.
ES crashed below its low. It's still moving down.
Yeah, now the VIX is starting to get pretty aggressive too. I like the dumps. I like the aggressive dumps.
Yeah, ES is tapping into the pre-market low though.
Let me take a look. And look where we are, Jonah. Look where we are. Son of a biscuit. Look where we are, Jonah. Look where we are. I think Jonah did, yeah. Mother lover biscuits. Yeah, they coming. Yeah, when I saw that triple bottom, I was like, ooh, they coming. I got back in though. You know exactly what entry I got. I got 269 on the dot. I said, motherfucker, if this shit sweep me out, I'm getting right back in at 269. So I have a contingency plan. I was like, I don't care what y'all saying. Like, I'm not buying. I'm not short this market. I mean,
Mr. Prospector said, we not done. Okay. Yeah, they did.
Okay. All right. Yep, that's where my stop is.
Give it
now.
to me, baby.
I'm
Changing
cool
my name to Ali. Oh, good lord.
Yeah, I'm good with this trade now. I like the reposition here. Now I'm at the ultimate low, right? Not the motherfucking intermediate low.
Stepped away for a second. Yeah. Still look. Yeah. We got a pretty aggressive sweep right there, and Q's looking interesting.
Yeah. Well, the 15 minutes started off sexy at 11 too. Oh yeah, I'm good with this entry. I like this entry much better. Man, I was in a long trade. I was in a long trade already.
Book.
Sorry, not book. The sell-off looking still for long. Stepped away for a second. Still look. Oh, look. No, I'm still bullish. I'm back in at 269. I mean, but I knew that there was a possibility this would happen. I mean, look at my trading view. Look at those white lines. That's called me not being patient, right? Like I had all of those lines already marked, and look where price bounced, right? So that's fine. I had a contingency plan if I got stopped out. I'm still not getting short. That's not happening. No, I'm in long. I'm in long at 269, which was my original area where I wanted to get long. And look, this is why I'm patient. See, motherfucker. All right. At least I'm in it, right? Like, at least I didn't bitch up. It was like, no, I ain't taking this. Nope. I already knew. I was like, if I had to, it was like I already knew what was gonna happen. I was like, if it sweeps down, yeah. He kept saying it. He's like, so what was your original entry? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Motherfucker. I knew what you was asking for. I was like, I know why he's asking. He's like, because he sees exactly what I see. These triple bottoms down here. Market love to set liquidity up right there. Come get that liquidity and then go back up. I'm gonna go make some oatmeal. Like if this trade's a loser, I'm done trading. That'll be 3 losses. Well, 2 losses and a break even. All right, be right back.
Me? No, I'm still looking for ES. I still like longs, but I'm gonna wait now. Now that we swept, I want to see us get back into that range. I don't want to take a trade prematurely because I just took 2 losses back to back, and I'm just small red on the day, huh? Yeah. I basically just lost all my profits on the day, so I'm not chilling, or I'm not tripping, just chilling. Let's see if we can't get back up and then try to re-enter. I like the consolidation. I got swept out the first time, and then I got back in on the sweep. Got swept out a second time, so
Now I'm just gonna wait. I'm home for 210. Yeah, it could happen. I guess for me, like the way I'm looking at it, I'll show ES first, I'll show NQ. Like on ES, when we came down, we basically never got above the consolidation. And now we swept and made a lower low. And even though this was super bullish, I'm still not convinced just yet. Same thing, but like here we didn't sweep the low yet, so I don't know. It's a lot different. Like you want 210, and we could get there. But yeah, ES and NQ are in two separate places. ES basically got down to its pre-market low. So I'm also gonna wait for a break above. Yeah, it's good to be patient on this one. This chop is nuts. 15 fair value gap is respected really well. SMT form, yeah. If you're trading using smart or not smart money, but what's the thing called? Damn, I can't think of the name. Oh, ICT. Yeah, if you're trading ICT, then yeah, that whole SMT. It's definitely, but I mean, a lot of the times there's going to be a divergence between ES and NQ. Yeah, ICT. Yeah. This isn't good for hubs. Yeah, potentially. Mr. Pot Scraper says, nope, no reversal yet. Yeah, I mean, right now we're just in a downtrend. I'm not going to fight this downtrend. We moved sideways, so I thought that maybe we might be wanting to reverse, but we swept twice, so. I'm cool being red on the day. I'm cool being red on the day for now. I'm basically break even actually when I really think about it. Show us if you have balls, you didn't enter. No, I'm good. I'm good. That's not that's not balls. That's just gambling. I'm not in the business of gambling, Ollie. So I will not be entering. I will not be entering 5 minis long or short. Although I do have an account that I need to blow because it's going to reset and it's nowhere near being funded. I do need to take that free reset. I really don't want to save it. I don't know. Oh. This is potentially looking good for longs here, though. Okay, yeah, we'll call you guys. It's gonna wait and be patient. Jesus. 9:30 a.m. high was taken. This ain't going nowhere higher unless need a plus 15 bearish gap is holding. There's beautiful bearish order block. That's why I'm saying we might go to 202 or 210. Yeah, maybe. Plus, we haven't swept the 9 a.m. low or high, and the market has to make a decision. Yeah, it worked out pretty well. I have 2 accounts also due for reset that I messed up a week ago. I may look to front them during the news tomorrow. One tomorrow and one Wednesday. Yeah, you can do that for sure. I'm sorry for typing in this many messages. You're good.
Sorry for typing so much.
The others, I'm taking slow and building it. Yep. That's good. That's good. Take it slow. No need to rush.
Good strategy.
Not gonna happen again. I swear. You're good, bro. You're good. I'm just not taking 5 minis long here. Looking at a higher time frame, I think we'll go lower. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. I don't know. The market again is consolidating here.
The market just doesn't want to push. It doesn't want to push higher. It doesn't want to go lower. Like the market doesn't want to do shit. So I'm just gonna take my little quick scout, call it a day, because we just continue to not do anything. It's just so annoying. It's boring.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, man. Whew. How we doing, Joe? Joe in? He left.
Mm.
He said, we just can't get above that pot, man. Like, the more we get above that, the more we come to that pot, we just keep getting aggressively slapped back down. This makes me feel like you guys saying, like the market may want to trade lower. I'm targeting my pre-market plan. That's all I want. It's just for us to get enough volume, enough participants for the market to push from this demand zone to the supply zone. But I also agree with you that those lows haven't been taken yet, and the market still might want to come get those lows. So that also makes a lot of sense, right? So I'm not oblivious to that fact as well. Taking a sweet ass time.
Okay, yes. I like that. Yes. Take that. Take that. Nah, they just put a large ass order down below at 52.4250.
I thought we had a nice bounce. Yeah. He says, I don't think I'm taking a trade today. I don't blame you. This price action is horrendous. I'm in my last trade of the day. Like, I can tell you that right now. Like, I'm about to go do something else.
Yeah, it's definitely slow today.
This is my last trade on the day. That's for damn sure. Oh, God. Like, it's just like we can't get enough bulls or bears to go anywhere. So we're just stuck inside of this long ass range.
Mm-hmm. Well, you know, Rome is supposed to speak tomorrow, and
yeah, we might just consolidate out here. And maybe PM session brings us something. I don't know. This is a freaking long ass trade. I just know that we can't get above the high. We just can't get above the highs. What else is there to do besides trade lower? But then you always have like in the back of your mind, like, well, maybe this time we get above the high. Either way you go, I'm at break even this time. I'm not giving nothing else back. I'm over it.
Nothing.
I'm over it. Either take your ass up there or come get my break even and I'll be done trading. What
are you targeting?
I just want the high, bro. Like, that's it. I just want 337. That's it. I'll settle for 312 at this point. I'll settle for 312. Like, I'm not asking the market for nothing crazy. Like, I'm not trying to go to 400 anymore. Like, looking at this price action, like, Do I think that we could get there? Yeah, maybe not today. Like, I don't think the market wants to do shit today. Hey, look at the stocks. They literally haven't moved. I think they're literally like, nobody's buying shit today. And it's because the big bad wolf is coming into the market. Nobody wants to buy anything the day before he comes to the market or sell it. They don't want to buy anything, but they don't want to sell too far down. I don't.
They should want to buy it up. That way they can crash it down tomorrow when he speaks.
That's what I was thinking. That was my thesis. I thought today we would try to put in a nice high, to go higher. But the 4 hour just looks like a fucking hot ass mess.
So Valdez, is the high of the week put in yet? Is that what you're going with on a Monday?
So tomorrow we might put in the low of the week.
Facts.
Oh dear God, this action is horrible. Bro, I walked away, went and walked the dog, like everything. I come back, we were still in the same spot, bro. I said, bro, how? Need to find something else to do for a little bit. I just want us to take a high. Just take 312 and I'll be really happy. That would really make me angry too. He said that'll really make me angry. Right? Goodness gracious, man. Just go up, bro. Bro, I'm at break even, bro. That's how that's how annoyed I am. I'm like, bro, I'm at break even. Like, I'm over it. Like, I'm just over it. Like, either take me out for break even or go up. Those are your only options now. I'm just annoyed at this point. But I got a better entry this time. I think this is one that I can hold. Right. So 269 was which is crazy. It's so fucking annoying that I got 269. Like, the market couldn't give me like 267. 268, 270. It had to come and give me 269, right? Which was the reason why, is because that was my original thesis, and I just was too impatient to wait for it. So, oh my God, bro. 290. That's another lower high being put in, bro. Like, come on, bro. Bruh.
Yeah, this is ugly.
This is fucking idiot. How you gonna go back to consolidation? You swept the low, you swept the high. We just gonna go right back into consolidation. All right. Facts. I mean, look at this big ass. Look at this candle on the 5 minute at 11:30, bro. That candle is nuts. Like, that candle should 100. I ain't saying 100%. You would think that candle would be the candle that the market's not trying to go. He said, "I'll just stop." Nothing makes sense out of it. Nothing.
Here comes a little push out though. Just like price rounded out a little bit.
Don't say that out loud, bro. Don't say that out loud. Every time I've said it, I've been disappointed. We just act like we don't see it. Ali said 1 point moves. Facts. All right, I'm long too. Let's go, Boyd. That makes you feel better. Boyd in the building, baby. Let's go. It is better to scout versus ES during your price action because there's more room to move, if that makes sense. Oh, trust me, Trading Yoga Girl, you're new here. This has been the age-old conversation between Justin and I. The age-old conversation. Yes, I agree with you that NQ is the better instrument to scout because it gives more opportunity within a day than ES does, by the very definition that it moves more points. Justin argues that, which again, I don't disagree, that if you size up, it's the same price action. Well, it's the same amount of monetary gain, but the price action is different, right? So if you're a scalper, you're looking for multiple opportunities inside the price action.
Yeah, I mean, we don't know him personally, but there's a guy on Twitter who scalps like 3-point moves on ES. Like, he just takes two ES contracts. He's looking for 3 points. He's scalping like $300. Right?
I didn't say it was impossible. The question is,
no, I know,
right? Like, I think anything's possible, right? You can scalp shit for 0.45 points. You know what I mean? Like, but at the same time, the question is which one is better, so to speak. And I think if you're a scalper, you would prefer to scalp in queue, right? Like you mentioned one guy. I could go through my Twitter feed and run through about 20 to 100 people that literally have on their title scalp in queue, right?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
you go to YouTube, people ain't bragging about scalping. Yes, they bragging about scalping in queue because it just provides more opportunity as a scalper. That's all I'm saying. Oh my God, this trade is gonna be the death of me, guys. I'm low key thinking about taking my little $100 and bouncing. Could you, so it could get out, so it could go up? I hate you, Jonah. I hate you, Jonah. Hobbs, get out, Hobbs, so we can go up. We appreciate you. Oh, hey, you know what I should do, Jonah? I should go for my walk, bro. That don't work no more. That shit don't work no more, bro. We've been past that. We've been past. Hey, you take over my walk, Pip? Market sins. I'm not selling my position. My stop is managed. Like, it is what it is. Like, I'm not getting out of my position. Like, it is what it is. Like, the position is the position. If we take another loss, we just take another loss. That's what it is. I like my position. I like everything about the trade. The only thing I dislike is the fact that, you know, I could have put my stop at the very low and maybe just added more contracts down here. That's the only thing I could have done differently that I would have been satisfied with, right? My new entry is at 269. Yeah, 269. Pip, I think you might have got my targets. So I have 3 targets. You want to hear them? First target, 312. Second target, 337, right? And then where I will actually consider selling everything is 348, right? Above 348, I think we could go to 400 and maybe 473, but I ain't holding that long. It ain't gonna happen. I take it back. If price comes up here very bullishly, like, man, unless if price, after being put through the fucking ringer down here, if price does decide it wants to go out here a little bit more bullish than I thought, right? Maybe we push for the ultimate target, which is 470, which is where I really think price can get to if we get more bulls. 473. 473 is the ultimate target. Yeah. Oh, here you come. What? How can I help you, Jonah? What can I do? Oh. You did it perfect. I hate both of y'all. Now, when we go 473, I'm just gonna write in the chat. That's all I'm gonna write. That's all I'm gonna write. I think we're going to 473. I think that's the next target. 473. No, I don't know about today either, based off this particular price action, but I think that's the next target, right? Do I think we get there today? I think it's a possibility. I think we've definitely been selling for an entire 3 hours, right? So why not? Why not start the short squeeze, right? And start to put some pressure on these bears again. All of these short sellers. Think about everybody that's short. They've been short since 348, right? Or 337, right? So if we start to squeeze them out of the position, right? If we start to squeeze them out, what's next? 400 and then 473. Like, that's not asking for a ton for NQ. We're just asking for NQ to move like NQ. That's it. In the grand scheme of things, it's not a horrible ask from the market. But I would need to see the tape speed up to see more participants in the market to think that it's possible. Right now, it's a pipe dream. All right, this is the first retest of the high of 294. This was my original entry, bastard. That we need to get back above. So we need to get back above. The funny part is Valdez never sold his position. He would have still been in this trade because we never hit his stop. consolidation station here. We're up about 30 points on the trade. Little under 30, like 27 points, 23 points, something like that. Stops are at 250, risking about 20 points. I went to break even, but then my conscience head was like, dude, practice with reach. Put your fucking stop where it belongs. So that's where my stop belongs, is where I put it. I'm at break even.
It's looking good.
He said, fuck this. Trying to be so realistic. He's like, no, fuck it. I'm going to break even. You're going to have to just know. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. Now we're retesting the point of origin here. Need to get an aggressive push right here, right? But again, Bears look like they want to defend. They want to continue to defend up here. So we need to get back trading into the 300s again. That's what we need. We can break through this block of liquidity for those of you guys in the Discord right here. We can break through this. We should stop out our first set of sellers, right? And then we could potentially go higher, right? But if these sellers defend, I mean, look at the CBD. God damn, this bitch's diversion is so ugly. Yeah, I agree. I agree. That's it. That's it. That's all we need to do is survive one. Just one pullback and we can go higher, bro. That's all I know. He said all we need to do is survive one, bro. Like just one. Just survive one.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. On the 5-minute structure, looks really nice.
Yeah, I mean, bro, we're back at the POC again, bro. Oh, POC's moving up. I like it. What? Go higher. Yeah. Taking a speed ass
is looking really bullish too. Yeah, I think you'd be alright.
Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. To be a session might be the one. Oh, to take us higher. We'll see. I'm coming. I'm coming for the lows. You still short this thing? Mr. Pot Scrapers, he never got stopped out, so you know he's feeling himself. Yeah, he's feeling himself. Yeah, that was a nasty bullish candle. That's a great hold if it dumps down, but oh, we survived it. I'm looking at the 15. Yes, as a backup. Yeah, I think you should definitely focus on what makes you feel most comfortable. Ultimately, I think you just need to focus on learning market structure in general, right? Or feeling more comfortable within market structure in general. Like I told you guys yesterday in a lot of my videos, I said, I understand market structure fine. That's not my problem. My problem is working on myself and my patience, right? You can see what happened. The loss and the break even that I took were avoidable just by being a little bit more patient. Like I was trying to be very, very patient. I was, but then the market just be tickling you like, come on, man, just get in, bro. Just get in. You know what I mean? It's just like, all right, fuck it, man. I get in. You know what I mean? That's the inducement, and that's what it's doing to you, right? So when I feel that, I probably just need to walk away, right? Even before I get in a trade, walk away to understand, okay, that's the inducement. Don't buy that. Wait for your area to hit because your area is right? And that's what I should have waited on, because I mean, you see on my chart, you see the white lines. Those are Fibonacci retracements area where I was looking to trade. And you see the final one at the bottom. Look where price ticked to the fucking point, right? My analysis is on point. It's me that needs to prepare and wait for the analysis to play out. And I think the slower price moves, right, the harder it is for me to wait. But I need to start anticipating that slower activity, right? And taking the trade no matter what, once it hits my area. But only on New York DAX is my bay. In London, I cheat on both of them with Nikki when Insomnia I hit. Bro, I don't know what you talking about. 2 p.m. session. Oh, you're talking about, okay, I didn't read the okay, Nas is my baby, but okay, gotcha. 2 p.m. session might be the one. I ain't go ahead, Joe. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you got to turn it on in the settings.
It should be to the
Sometimes
right.
It should be to the right. Mine's not on right now either. That's weird. It's probably in settings though. Let me see. Charts and data. Data speed, high chart plots, miscellaneous. Enable sound, enable visual alerts. Oh, that is weird. Performance stats, Trader Hub, Top Step TV. Oh, mine used to be on there. It's not on there. Right?
Oh, go to the chart settings, and then go to scales, and then go down to price scales, and it's in the countdown to bar close.
Oh, in the top right, chart settings button. Right, my bad. Yeah. For some reason, it gets countdown to bar close. Yeah, no, mine's on. Oh, there it is. I'm stupid. I was reading
right on the chart.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's 2 minutes and 55 seconds. I think because we were at the pot, it was sitting right on top of the pot. That line, I couldn't see it. All right, so we're almost to our first profit target at 312. And I feel like just for GP, I need to take some profits up there. I feel like that's probably a smart thing. But when have I ever been smart? Like, fucking go for the gusto, baby. Go for the gusto, baby. We ain't taking profits till we get to 430, 473. I'm kidding. I'm joking. That was a joke. Fun. I'm trading off the 15 minute. Yeah, I enter 1 minute, but I watch my trades off the 15 minute too. Custom Barbecue says, have a great day, everybody. I headed to another Diddy party. See you tomorrow.
Good Lord.
Dum Diddy. Yeah. I mean,
this is
you guys can see the trade. Like this is the trade. This is what I'm looking for. So you guys think I'm not bullshit? Like that's my actual target right there, 470. Right. Will it get there? I don't know, but I have levels here at 312. Right, it's my first target, and then 337 is the second target. 348 is the target that I think I'll stay in the trade, right? If we get above 348 and we retest all of this and hold, I'm staying in the trade until we go to 470. Because I think that's where we can go. Let me check the 30 minute. You see I'm red on the day. I don't know how red. I know my risk is managed, so maybe 364. Here's another target right here. I like this. All right, so we got this guy here at 351, and then this guy here at 360. Those are good targets too.
My target is 315.
I
think your target is in trouble. Oh wait, 315 is above for the longs. Oh, Void, you're in long. Mr.
Yeah,
Potts,
Void is
you're still in short.
Yeah, Void got in with us. Yeah, so we're looking. Void is looking for 315, which I think is a good. Again, when I say these are targets, that doesn't mean that I'm only looking for those trades, right? Like I'm only looking to get out there. I'm gonna gauge price action when we get up there. My first area to gauge price is 312, right? Do I want to take something off right there? I kind of do, but then I also don't, right? I kind of want to wait till we get here at 337, and then I'll take 90% off. So I'll take 2 off at 337 because that's a huge swing, right? Like at that point, I anticipate price coming back down. So I'll take 2 off right there. But if we come up and we just push right through it, then I might as well hold until we get to 351 and 360. And then what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for other areas on a smaller time frame that price may interact with, right? So we got 327, that's 30-minute supply right there. You know, that's kind of a big deal. But that's above, again, that's inside of the 4 hour. So that's why I say once we get above 348, I'm Gucci. all the way into at least this area here, 360 to 430. So yeah, maybe a good target is 360. I think that's a good target. Yeah, we'll go there.
Yeah, yes, it's going nuts right now. Well, not nuts, but it's coming back up. So is NQ.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is our ultimate target. This is where I'm looking to take some profit off, between 348 and 360. So we'll get rid of these levels here. I don't need them. I was just illustrating for you guys. Bro, this is so melodramatic right now. This is... Get out, man. Yeah, get out there. So go ahead. I'm up too. Good. I'm in 3 micros. I'm up nicely too. I'm in 3 micros. I'm up $200, which is good for 3 micros, right? So it's still, I mean, point wise, it's still 40 points. Bro, all day long. Yeah, that's yeah. If it wasn't so slow, I would have traded my live account and I would have took the same trade, but it was just so slow that I just didn't trust it. So I didn't put my live account in jeopardy yet. I'm gonna wait till all of this news is out and then I'll go back to the live account, maybe when the volatility increases a little bit. All right, here comes our first profit target of 312. Yeah, I think that's a good take. I mean, you're in too many, so that's freaking 1,600. That's $1,600 right there. So that's not a bad day. Yeah, facts.
Oh Lord.
All right, we're gonna lock in some profit here in regards to my stop and my take profit, just to kind of protect myself, right? Like lock in about a 50% of the overall profit. We were up about $200, so we lock in $100, just to give ourselves something. I mean, it's a long ass trade, right? Like I'm not trying to sit in this motherfucker all day like this. Yeah, the first one was way worse. At least this one stayed in my direction the whole time, right? But yeah, I think it's fair to lock in something, not walk away with anything. It would be stupid. So, hey, brother, take it easy, man. Thanks for stopping by the shop, bro. Take it easy. Oh, you're out the trade. Oh, well, all right. Can you please adjust the book map? Yes. Can't see the full picture.
Sorry. I got it. Sorry. It's because I was actually using it and then I took it off.
New target is 321. Then I short from it. No, he extended his target to 321. So he's looking for the point of origin here at 321, which I think is a good target. I'm still looking for the bigger target. I think we go higher. I think we short squeeze from here. If we can get above 338, I think we short squeeze. Longest trade of my fucking life right now. But yeah, this trade is this is a long ass trade, bro. Like this thing is the longest trade of my fucking life right now. Bro. Yo, this is the longest trade of my freaking trade. I was in both the longest trades, bro. Like this is liquidity is taking forever. Anyway, I think that's it for us, guys. I gotta go make my daughter a chicken parm sandwich for lunch. Gotta bring it over to her. I gotta play delivery boy today. So for us at the shop, I think that's all we got, man. Like I said, I'm in this trade. Gonna try to see it through. I'm locking in, some profits here just to, in the event that we pull all the way back. I definitely want to lock in some profits because we're at the top of that range right there. I think the trade was a really good trade, right? So we'll lock in the low, beneath the protected low. at 110. So we're moving our stop in profit by about, I don't know, 20 points or so. I think that's better than nothing, right? And we're still putting in another lower high, right? Like that's the top of that trend right there. So I think that's fair to lock in profit right there. So anyway, that's all I got, man. Jay, you got anything?
Nah, really slow day. Hopefully you guys stayed at least semi-green. I'm a little bit red on the day, but I'm not tripping. This today was tough, so hopefully tomorrow will be better.
Yeah. I'm still a little red on the day, but I think if I can close this trade in profit, I'll also be green. I'll be back green on the day, but again, still trying to recover from that Friday slap in the face I gave myself. So but still green on the month, right? Like still focusing in on what I gotta focus in on. And a few more days left 2 more weeks left in the month. Let's see if we can get these accounts funded, right? All right, guys, that being said, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to help out the channel, join the Discord, $15 a week, $40 a month. Use the Apex Take Profit, My Funded Future, Top Step X, and Top Step codes to get your discounts, but also get a kickback to the shop. That being said, that guy, what the? You see that, Justin? Look at my screen real quick. They added some new shit. Watch this.
Oh.
Hold on, wait.
I always think you got a ghost going on or something. Are you sure that it wasn't a thumbs
it was
up?
like bombs. It was like some bombs or something came in. Like, look, you see it?
Oh, it's fireworks.
Fireworks. Let's go. Oh,
You over here talking about bombs.
I'm in fireworks.
Oh, they added some bombs. They're dropping nukes.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you guys take it easy out there. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.